to 26. Page number 4, item 27 to 34.
30.
On behalf of Mr. Muduli, there is some death in their relations. He has gone to.
But have you informed the other side? You have not informed the other side. Inform the other side. Okay. Next.
He requested me today
Sir,
morning. that is
inform the
why-
other side. I don't mind. I'm not averse to any kind of adjournment. Only
Yes.
thing you have to inform the other side because the other side will come and stay the whole day.
Yes.
That
yes,
I don't want. Why should
Yes,
somebody will waste time here? I may not be knowing who is the other side. So just to intimate them. And,
Yes.
in the meantime, if you get the
Yes.
counsel for the ICIC, get him here. I will pass. Adjourn it. Okay, don't worry. In between, any time you can come.
In fact, I am not the counsel.
I know that, but this is the problem. This is
Yes,
the rule I have
sir.
fixed, sir.
I will wait.
You are not the counsel, I know that, but if you don't get that other man, I'm not going to.
Yes, that-
At that time, when the matter reaches, then you will
Yes.
feel that time. Huh? Next,
Item number 35 to 45.
35 to 50.
Page number 6, item 46 to 53.
My lord, item number 47 on behalf of UR Jana, no instruction, my lord.
Okay. 47. Next,
Page number 7, item 54 to 59.
54 to
Item 55.
55.
Fine. I have taken time last occasion to contact the person concerned about wheresoever, but I couldn't get any answer.
So what do you want?
No instruction with the
Oh,
liberty.
55 no instruction. With the liberty to action.
Okay.
Next,
Page number 8, item 62 to 66. Page number 9, 67 to 76.
My lord, item 74, no instruction.
70.
Oblige.
Next,
My lord, item number 70, permitted to withdraw, my lord.
70 permitted to withdraw. Okay, next. Permitted to withdraw. This is
The room tab.
today I have fixed for
My
final
lord,
hearing.
it was fixed for today, 2 o'clock. Yesterday, I have received the counter affidavit
Huh.
from the State Pollution Control Board
Huh.
that they have forwarded the.
Whatever
their-
the grievance is met.
My lord, it has been forwarded to the Ministry of Environment and Forest Department. That thing they have stated in their counter. Since
You are for the
right now it
petition- you are
is,
for the petitioner.
my lord,
So let the matter come in, withdraw it.
no, my lord,
I want to see what.
my
is
lord, my
actually-
lord, my lord.
Let the matter come. Huh? Next,
Page number 10, item 77 to 86.
My lord, item 78. I have taken up next week, 78. I am preparing the regender. I will file, they have filed the counter. I am preparing the regender, so next week.
you have, otherwise you do one thing. On what ground you are withdrawing? You are saying that your grievance has been redressed?
My lord, right now I have my grievance, my appeal lies before the Ministry of Forest and Environmental Affairs. So I have to make an appeal there.
Hmm.
Hence, the writ may not lie here. I will appeal there only.
Why did you do that at the time? At the time of the.
My lord, that it's the
You didn't have
the
wisdom.
developments, these are the subsequent developments that have occurred.
These wisdom you didn't have at that time.
No, my lord.
So later you on the wisdom.
My lord, no, my lord. Yesterday, actually, that counter was served upon us.
Because you don't have case, that's why we are withdrawing. Don't say all these things. You don't have a case, that's why you are withdrawing. And
No,
you
my
are
lord.
all these, the Bahanabaji, don't say all.
No,
this.
my lord, yesterday only.
Come, I'll pass a region order. Don't
My
worry. हाँ. For withdrawal also I'll pass a region order. अब लोग मजाक बना रखे हैं कोर्ट
My lord.
जब चाहे आगे जब चाहे withdraw कर लिए. What is this? So government the entire machinery will be just stressed for you. ଆପଣଙ୍କର personal interest ପାଇଁ ଆଜି ଆସିକି public interest ବନେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି. ଚାନ୍ଦା ମାଗିବେ ନଦେଲେ ତାପରେ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖି ନେବି ଚାନ୍ଦା ଦେଲାନି ଏ ତ ହଉଛି ଆଉ କଣ ହଁ ର ମୁଁ ପାସ୍ କରୁଛି ଅର୍ଡର.
My lord. Let the matter reach, my.
Yeah, sure. Withdrawal ବି ହେବ withdrawal ସାଙ୍ଗେ observation ବି ଦେବି ଛାଡ଼ିବିନି.
Right.
ତମେ argue କଲେ ବି observation ଦେବି withdraw କଲେ ବି observation ଦେବି. Not going to spare so easily. ହଁ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ମଜାକ ବନେଇ. Next.
Page number 10, item 77 to 86.
Item 78, man. Kindly taken up next week. I will prepare the regender affidavit. They have filed the counter. I will file the regender.
କୋଉଟା
78,
78.
78.
ଖାଲି any private party?
No, no, private, that is
Only-
government,
only
only
state.
government. Crop loss, compensation matter.
Crop loss. Crop loss due to?
Due to damage of dam, check dam,
Check dam. Where?
in Sundargarh.
What kind of check dam?
My lord,
What kind of check dam?
this is irrigation department
Irrigation
check
check.
dam department.
Okay. So land council this petition, 2 weeks time to file the agenda, December 15th, February. Next.
Item
Obliged.
18, your lordship, time may be given, so I will remove the defect.
Hmm.
Item 80, time may be given, so I will remove the defect.
Defect remove karna thi. Okay. 1 week time is granted.
Interim order
the-
may be extended.
Okay, what was it? 1 week time I will is granted to the petitioner to remove the defects. Interim order to continue. 1 week with the defect no kale, I'll dismiss it.
I will apply.
If the defects are not removed within 1 week, the matter shall automatically be dismissed without reference to this court. Hala, jaan.
Page
Next.
number 11, item 87 to 95.
93.
93.
90. On behalf of Mr. Mudul, state is the only party, opposite party.
So you want time?
Mm.
When do you want?
Next week, any day, because of his death in
8th
release.
February.
Eight.
Release the matter on 8th February. On the request of the next,
Page number 12, item 96 to 100.
none. So
serial 8 ଟା slip କରେଇଲା ଆସିବ ମେମୋ କରିଥିଲି ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ ଡେଟ୍ ଥିଲା ଆସିଲା ମେମୋର serial 8
serial 8.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Monday. ko.
Monday.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Item number 1.
May I please, your lordship. My lord, petitioner Shaun was appointed under the OP number 1 Labor Net Service Company as a engineer.
Mhm.
As a engineer, my lord.
Petitioner's son.
My lord.
Okay.
He died on a road accident on 15/5/2016.
Hmm.
My lord, kindly see Annex 2, page 13.
16 re.
Yeah. Earlier, I approached this honorable court.
What happened? Tell me.
Well-
He died. Then what happened?
My lord, kindly see Annex 2.
I'll not say any extra unless you tell me in short. Then I'll go to next. Tell me a brief summary. Snapshot.
Yes, my lord.
Snapshot. Tell me the snapshot. कौन तू? बिना एनेक्सा देखी तो कोई परिबेनी?
हाँ.
अरे कौन तू?
Petitioner's son died on a road accident on 15/5/2016.
Okay.
There is a circular.
Hmm.
If any person was died,
Hmm.
he
Any
got
person was dead?
money.
Okay.
Employee
Ah.
died.
Ah.
He got the benefit on 5 lakhs
Because of what?
on compensation.
Under which policy?
Well, kindly say Annex 2.
Which policy कौन तू?
There is a policy in his company. ତାଙ୍କ company ଗୋଟେ policy ଅଛି.
Hmm.
ଯଦି
Which company, sir? Where was he working?
labor net
LaborNet.
Yeah.
It's a private company.
private
So
company.
company policy prescribes for rupees 5 lakh
Yeah.
in case of death,
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
accidental death.
Accident. Yes.
Sinte to କହିବି ଆଉ ଏତେ ବୁଲୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
See, in case of accidental death, the company has the policy of giving 5 lakh rupees.
Yes,
Take line.
ma'am. Yes,
Khatam.
ma'am.
Ah, where's-
Oblige, my lord.
Next
Oblige.
कौन तू?
Then he was not given the said benefit.
Okay.
He approached this honorable court earlier.
Hmm.
This honorable court disposed of this matter with a direction to consider my representation.
Right. Is it maintainable against the private company?
Yes, my lord.
And how?
My lord, because
How
this
do you
is,
make this managing director LaborNet Service India good private company read can be maintainable? How is it will be maintainable? Tell me.
rate is maintainable. my lord.
How? Tell me. They have to satisfy. Then for every if you start entertaining this, then every private company will come and file REIT.
My lord, labor commissioner.
The labor commissioner ପାଖକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲେ ଆପଣ?
ନାଇଁ ମୋ labor
ସେଇଟା labor ତ ନୁହେଁ first of all.
ନାଇଁ
କଣ ଥିଲା ସେ?
ଇଏ ଥିଲା engineer ଥିଲା.
Engineer ଥିଲା, engineer is not labor. କେମିତି ଆସିବ?
Earlier I was approached this court, my
You
lord.
should have approached the company authority.
Yes, my lord.
If the company authority doesn't, then we have other option.
Well, kindly see, what they have done.
I see. sympathy रे जीवेनी
नहीं
अपना sympathy रे
नहीं मो sympathy रे दउनी
only I'm saying on the law
yes my lord
satisfy on law point
My lord,
once you satisfy I'm ready
my lord kindly say annexure 5 I approach this company
Hmm.
my lord kindly say annexure 5 order page 26
Hmm. Yes.
regarding my lord regarding death insurance claim
Hmm.
to let's say Sandeep Kumar. Dear sir,
Hmm.
this is further you notice that on 19th July.
Unfortunately his death happened এটা কে লিখেছি এটা আচ্ছা সে কোম্পানি লিখেছে
Again,
সে কইছি unfortunately his death happened on 43 days of joining and the death happened not during the course of employment. However, we further would like to state that since the accident death happened on 43 days of upon joining, he had not submitted the required details to the company for the purpose of insurance. Your insurance was not there. Where from the company will pay the money? At that time, insurance cover was not there because they wanted you to submit some of the documents. Those documents are not given to them.
my lord,
Unless those documents are given, how the group insurance will be covered under you, sir?
my lord kindly say annexure 2. Kindly
Lord,
say
what?
annexure 2,
What is the annexure
page
to?
13.
What is this? Yes.
Compensation benefit.
This is what
All
compensation.
entitlement given below are
Sir,
applicable.
this is the condition of job.
Yes, my lord.
43 days, all the documents, everything you had not given.
My lord, it is absolutely correct. My lord, kindly see what is the
Then if everything is correct, then where is it incorrect then?
my lord,
Hmm.
all requisites and benefits, including reimbursement, are subject to income.
Sir, whenever you are joining a company,
These entitlement-
just hold on.
My lord,
Listen to me. Whenever you are joining a company, the company gives you a joining letter.
my
Along
lord.
with the joining letter, what are the benefits you are getting? You get an annexure.
Yes.
So this is part of the joining letter, sir. Once you join, immediately after joining, without submitting all the documents, without everything is done, you will get benefit. It's just fresher.
All
You are not even you are not properly inducted.
my lord.
And then,
ସେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି କ'ଣ all entitlement given below are applicable
sir, I can
after you have
understand
joined.
this paper has no meaning at all. Do you know why? Because everywhere you join in a company, proper company, I'm saying.
My lord,
All these benefits, what are the benefits you are likely to get? Everything is that is there. So these are the benefits you will get. The question here is because you have joined just 43
Yes, my lord.
days ago, many documents you had not submitted before the company. Once you don't submit once you submit those documents, that company will what?
Group.
That will take you to the scheme of the group insurance.
my lord.
So all the documents will be given to the insurance company and you will be part of the group insurance. And then insurance card will be given to you. Where is the insurance card? Where is the insurance card?
Again, my
Or
lord,
insurance policy paper, whatever. Where is the policy paper? That will be given to each individual employee.
my lord.
Then only you can claim that, okay, I am part of the company employee. These are the benefits I am entitled because of this paper. You please give me. Then the company will give you. Here, nothing of that sort is happening.
My lord, again, I approach your lordship. Kindly see annexure 5 again, my lord.
Annexure, why are you showing
My lord,
annexure?
kindly
It is
see,
very crystal clear. You were not inducted a proper employee.
Nahi.
Many benefits you are not given to
ସେ
you.
ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି କ'ଣ ଟିକେ
Show me your insurance the document. Tell me. The group insurance card ମିଳେ ସେ card କାଇଁ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ card ଟା ଦେଖେଇଦେଲେ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି
ସେ ତ ମରିଯାଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ମରିଯାଇଛି ତ ମୁଁ କେମିତି କରିବି ଏବେ ସେ company ରେ if that person has not been inducted in the scheme, how can this code will pass order?
ନାଇଁ my lord,
And further, secondly, this against a private company,
Nahi,
it
ସେ-
is not maintainable.
ସେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
It is not maintainable. This is the case again.
my lord, kindly see.
Sir, I can understand your sympathy has no place.
No, my lord, I am not.
Law.
My lord, kindly
Law
see.
is hard, but it is hard. What to do? Sympathy doesn't have any place in law.
My lord,
If law starts flowing towards sympathy,
no,
there will be flawed.
again,
Yeah. So do you expect any fraud to happen?
no.
Then
So I pray lordship kindly taken up next week. I will.
nothing will happen. Next week the same thing happen.
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖେଇବି ଯେ
Only thing I may be changed. That can be one chance. Otherwise, nothing will happen. The same thing will happen.
ନାଇଁ
So long as I am here hearing the matter, I'll have the same view. I'll not change my view.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Simply, no, rate is not maintainable again.
ନାଇଁ my lord, kindly next week.
Sorry, sir, not maintainable. Show me one judgment where the private company against the rate maintainable. मत देखा तू. देखा था ना मुझे.
ସେଇ ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ
देखा तू आने लेने को पे.
Monday
Did you not envisage a question that this question will ask me on the first day itself? Why didn't you envisage?
I am sorry. I approach.
Sorry.
My lord,
But every day you are doing matter, you are sorry.
no, my lord. Earlier I approach. That
Sir, earlier you approach, somebody passed some order. I am least bothered about that.
my lord,
Earlier, what was the order passed against you? in favor of you, go and approach the representation. I am also saying the same thing, go and approach representation.
No, no, that has been already.
Okay, what is the order? Is that order anything? Is this the order? It's a lollipop order. You went with the lollipop order and say here is an order.
No.
I don't consider even an order.
My lord.
Go and give a representation is in order.
No,
And then why do you just honestly earlier approach somebody entertain, that doesn't mean that I will entertain. Explain me with case law why it is maintainable. Then I'll call.
next week.
Not on next week, tomorrow. Not next
Tomorrow. My lord, tomorrow.
No, tomorrow.
Next week, my lord.
ଯାହାକୁ ପଠେଇଦେବି, ପଠେଇଦେବି.
No, next
What
week.
is this?
My lord, next week.
When you are filing a case, don't you know that this question will ask to you? You should have come ready. Nothing doing. I'm dismissing. Sorry.
Sorry, my lord.
No.
My lord.
No further time. ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଭଲ
ନା,
ଭାବେ
ନା,
question ଏଇ question କୋର୍ଟ ପଚାରିବ, ଆପଣ ଆସିବେନି ତ କିଏ କଣ କରିବ? ଆଉ next week time ସମୟ.
My lord, next.
No, sorry, dismiss.
My lord, next week.
Nothing doing.
My lord, next week.
Nine. They should know that when your matter is coming, we are not so serious. Every time थोड़े case law मागे देखा पे time नेबे, आउ थोड़े case law आउ थोड़े time नेबे कौन है डा?
My lord, next week.
नहीं, not next बिल्कुल next.
My lord, next week.
Nothing.
I
Date is not maintainable or next week किछ नहीं. Date is not maintainable. Next.
Well, next-
Sorry sir.
Item 2.
Next item. This is not done.
ତାହେଲେ କାଲିକି ରଖନ୍ତୁ my lord.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
ମୁଁ କାଲି
ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହିଲି କାଲି କି ପସନ୍ଦ ଆଇଲାନି. ଏବେ 230 230. କାଲି ବି ନାହିଁ ଆଜି ମୋ କଥା ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଅପସନ ଶୁଣିଲେନି ତେବେ 230 230
ଯାହା
230 ରେ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଠି କେସ୍ ଖୋଜିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ. ଆପଣ ଜୁନିୟର ଫିନିୟର କାଗଜ ଲଗାନ୍ତୁ, କେସ୍ ଖୋଜିବେ ଯାଇକିରି ଖୋଜନ୍ତୁ. ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ସେମାନେ ପାଇବେନି, ଭଲ ବି ଜାଣିଛି ହେଲା. ଗୋଟେ ବହି ପଢିବେ ଆର୍ଟିକଲ 12 ଗୋଟେ ବହିଟେ ଅଛି, ବୁକ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆର୍ଟିକଲ 12 ପଢିବେ ଆଉ ତାପରେ ଆସିବେ. କିନ୍ତୁ 230 ଭିତରେ ପଢିବାକୁ ପଡିବ. No further time. ହେଲା. Next.
May please, my lord. The petitioner is a
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେଇଥିରେ ଅଛି ଏଠି ଯିବେ ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ ଯୋଉ ଇଏ ନାହିଁ ସେଇଠି ବାହାରିବ EBC publication on article 12. ସେଥିରେ ଜାଣି ପୁରା maintainable ଜାଣିବେ. Next.
petitioner is
by Kumar Karthikeyan, book written by Kumar Karthikeyan, EBC publication ଏଇ ଭିତରେ ବାହାରିବ, ଜାଣନ୍ତୁ. ପଢିକି ଆସିବେ ତାପରେ କହିବେ maintainable କି ନାହିଁ. Next.
May please, my lord. In this case, the petitioner is a senior citizen. He has her husband and herself are on account in the Central Bank of India. My lord, I have given running page 9, my lord. On
What
such
is the
occasion,
case, sir? Please tell me.
case
the
ହଉଛି
case.
1,49,000 ଟଙ୍କା
ମତେ ଏମିତି ଅଧା ଅଧା ନାହିଁ, ପୁରା ମୂଳରୁ କଣ ହେଲା କହିବେ step by step. ଆଉ ଲକ୍ଷେ
by step.
ଅଧା ବାଟରୁ କଣ ଗୋଟେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି? ଆପଣ ଘରକୁ ଗଲେ ସିଧା ଡେଇକି ଯାଆନ୍ତି କି ଆପଣ step by step ଚଢିକି ଯାଆନ୍ତି?
case ହଉଛି the husband of the petitioner and the petitioner has an account in the Central Bank of India.
Okay.
On dated,
Central Bank of India, Central Bank, no.
on dated
Central Bank. Okay,
1/4/2000.
come forward. Yes. Now let him hear also. What are you saying? Yes.
କେସ୍ ହଉଛି ଯେ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଅକେଜନ ରେ ସେମାନେ ଆଙ୍କର ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ରୁ 1,49,000 ଟଙ୍କା 675
Who are ସେମାନେ means who?
bank has deducted for IT income tax 26S ରେ କାଟି ନେଇଛନ୍ତି. ଆମେ ଇନକମ ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସ ରେ ବୁଝିଲା ପରେ ଆମର ସେଠିକି ଯାଇନି ପଇସା. So we have given letter to them that ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ରୁ ଆମର ପଇସା ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆମକୁ ରିଟର୍ନ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନେ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି କି ତା ଉପରେ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସ.
Take a section. Learn concept for the petitioner submit that the bank, opposite party bank has illegally deducted from their saving account number 196584137 of Central Bank of India, Link Road Branch, Cuttack, under section 265 of IT Act from the period 1st April 2021 to 31st 10 2021, 1st November 2021 to 31st 12 2021, 1/4/2022 to 30th 9 2022, total of rupees 1,49,675, along with 8% interest from the date of deduction from the aforementioned account. Land concept the bank, land concept the Central Bank of India, who is present in the court, is requested to assist the court by taking instruction, and he has readily agreed to assist the court, and he seeks 1 week time to revert to the court with not revert, 1 week time to get the information. Instruction. Bank. List the matter on 1st February
Yes,
Give a
yes.
copy.
Yes.
And London Consular Petitioner is director. Sub a copy on Mr.
I have already submitted.
Sahu, who is appearing for the bank. Huh?
In course of the day, I have already submitted.
Okay.
Okay.
Next,
Item number 3.
Petitioner challenges the rejection order of district judge from MSCT Malkanagi.
what is the just story?
Rejected
ଆପଣ starting ରୁ କାଇଁ କହନ୍ତିନି ଏମିତିଆ ହେଇଥିଲା ଏଥିପାଇଁ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କଲେ ଏଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଯାଇଥିଲି କିଛି କହିବିନି ରିଜେକ୍ଟେଡ ଦ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଗଲା
medical
ଆପଣ ପୁରା starting ରୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ what happened from the beginning ହଁ
ପିଟିସନର୍ସ ନାଁରେ ଫିକ୍ସ ଡିପୋଜିଟ ହେଇଥିଲା
okay
ତାପରେ ମୋର ପଇସା ଦରକାର ପଡିଲା
ହଁ
ଆଉ ମେଡିକାଲ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ରେ
how much was the amount what is the amount
ତାର ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ 2 ଜଣ ନା ଥିଲା 70
sir I am asking it what is the total amount
ଲକ୍ଷେ 50,000
are you sure 1,50,000 okay then what happened so there was a need for money urgent need for money and you went to the bank okay urgent need of money you went to the bank and you withdrew the amount you withdrew the
not
amount
go to bank
huh
in a motor accident case tribunal directed that such and such amount will be kept in fixed deposit and without the leave of the court no loan can be sanctioned or the fixed deposit will not be released.
then
So I approached the district judge for a premature release of my fixed deposit to
okay
petitioner's affairs
then
on the ground of on medical ground and construction of house.
fine then
And the tribunal rejected it. District judge from MSCT rejected it without assigning any specific reasons that.
I said you approached the bank
No, I need.
oh you approached the okay that because that is
MSCT.
amount was from MSCT you received the amount from MSCT
Not
as
from
compensation
MSCT. As per the direction.
sir एते confusion काहे मु simple दुई लाइन रे मु कहि देबी केसटा that money was you got the award in the MSCT so who died who made with an accident की accident हितला जिसे amount अपन पाइथिले କିଛି ଜଣା ନାହିଁ ଫାଇଲ ପଢିକି ଆଇଲେ ତ ଜାଣିବା କି ପଢିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଏମିତି ଫାଇଲ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କଣ ଆପଣ କିଏ ମରିଥିଲା ଯେ ଆପଣ କିଏ ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା ବା ଡେଥ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା କଣ ହେଇଥିଲା ଯେ ଆପଣ ପଇସା ମିଳିଲା MSCT ସେଟା ଜାଣିବି ପଇସା ତ କହିଲେ MSCT ଦେଇଥିଲା ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତ MSCT କଣ ପାଇଁ ଦେଇଥିଲା ଏମିତି ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ତା ଜ୍ୱାଇଁ ପୁଅ ନୁହେଁ ଯେ ଆପଣ ଯୌତୁକରେ ଦେଇଥିଲା
ମୋଟର ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ କେସରେ ଡିପୋଜିଟ ହେଇଥିଲା
ସେଇଠି ତ ପଚାରୁଛି କିଏ କାହାର ଇଏ ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆପଣ ପଢିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଫାଇଲ ପଢି ନାହାନ୍ତି ଲିଷ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଟର ବିଲକୁଲ ପଢି ନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ 24 nothing doing 24 this is not done sir you are senior counsel you are not coming with the reading file what will you teach to the junior people they are studying better than senior people this is not done ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟିଆ ଫାଇଲ 5-10 ପେଜ ଫାଇଲ ପଢିକି ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଉ କଣଟା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ଟିକେ ତ ବୁଲେଇବା କଥା ପେନସିଲ ଟିକେ ଗୋଟେ ଗାରଟେ ମାରିଥାନ୍ତି କୋଉଠି ଗାର ନାହିଁ ଏଟା ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର
Consumer Commission entertains 135 proceeding under Electricity Act.
yes give me the order yes Sam
I'll take notice to opposite party number 1 only.
one only
One.
secretary district consul why
Opposite party.
why secretary
No, in that order, no, in the read petition, item number 4.
which is the opposite party oh this is a private person
Again, consumer G.
okay you should notice to open number 1
ସେଥିରେ order ରେ 2 ରୁ 6 ହେଇଥିଲା ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ
এটা କେତେ number
item 4.
here OP1 na
Again,
OP1 only OP1
the,
no other party
no other party. The LG pro forma achandi, he is a petitioner only.
ठीक है OP number 1
19 to be same.
OP number 1
I'll wait for my turn. 19 is also same. I'll wait for my turn.
let it take a note 19 दे दियो why will you 19 दे दियो that's similar order 19 let's
Only
look at-
consumer को notice.
okay same consumer notice 19 ने देखी दो It is that's a like order item. 19,
WPC 342 of 2024.
the same 19 which I got.
Obliged.
Date देगा, क्या date है फिर? Date date केबे अछि? 17 January.
77.
आज ही तो 17.
সেটা ফিক্স ହେଇଛି ଆଜି item number 33 of 69 rest.
এটা 19 note है
আচ্ছা সেম অর্ডার 19 টা আসছে ফ্রেশ রে এই যে ম্যাটারটা অর্ডার আছে আজি আজি হি লিস্ট ହେଇছে এটা অ্যাডমিশন
No, no, but 17, this is which matter? This today it is listed.
Today it has also been listed.
Item?
Item number 3369. 33 gote 69 agote.
36, that is also yours.
That is also mine.
तो एका संगे सब कर दूं ना एबे कोई
ଆପଣ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଅଲରେଡି କରି ସାରିଥିଲେ ସେଟା
आ गोटे डेट देबा गोटे से छोड़
आगे,
देबा लेट सी 30
33 और 69.
33 और 69 तक लगा दो 8 February को
8
all are in 8 on 8 February.
आगे. Obliged. Interim to continue.
Interim to continue. Next
Item number 5.
5.
May I please, madam? In this case, the petitioner number 1 is the loanee of State Cooperative Bank,
Yes.
and the petition number 2 and 3 are the legal heir of the guarantor who had passed away.
Guarantor. Legal heir of the guarantor.
Legal heir of the guarantor.
Who is appearing for the bank? Anybody?
No, first time coming.
So what is the issue?
The issue is that the petitioner obtained a loan of 40 lakhs cash credit. Due to his transaction with the bank, the bank was pleased to enhance the cash credit amount to 60 lakh. In the year 2009 and 10, there was up and down in the market, for which the loan amount exceeded 60 lakh by 4 lakhs, 63 point odd. So petitioner personally approached the branch manager. Sir, this is the problem of the market.
The 1910, because of the subprime crisis of that
Yeah.
time. That was very common. Yes.
So kindly at least give me 1 month time. I will make clear of this because I am a regular customer and having fluent account with you.
Now today what are you for?
So now is that the bank didn't heard the case of the petitioner and make a dispute case under annexure 3 and during pendency of the dispute case.
What is the dispute case?
In the dispute case that they prefer a case before the registered cooperative society.
What is the status of that case?
That is disposed of
That is disposed of
against the petitioner.
against the petitioner. What is the order?
The order is at annexure 4, operative page at 26, last page.
What does it say?
In the above circumstances, is ordered that defendants are jointly.
Rightly order, sir. What is wrong in this order? I don't find anything
I'm
wrong.
coming to my. During the pendency of the case, the order was passed on 16/12/2011, and on
During the pendency of the case, what happened?
during the order was passed on 16/12/2011, but on 11th of 8/2012, the petitioner has deposited rupees 10 lakh. That is under annexure 2 at page 12.
Okay. Then
So when he deposited 10 lakhs, it came down, the book value came down to 53 lakhs. So which was not intimated to the sub-register, for which the erroneous order was passed.
you are
Against
challenging that order. You are
no,
challenging
I'm challenging the appeal I have filed against this order.
appeal before which authority?
Appeal lies before annex. Appeal lies before member cooperative tribunal, Odisha. Bhubaneswar.
Tribunal.
Yes.
Then tribunal order, what is it? Where is the tribunal?
Tribunal just, yeah, I am coming to that. 1 second.
Hmm.
In the meantime, the petitioner preferred the appeal
Hmm.
and deposited another 29 lakhs
Hmm.
during
So during
pendency
the
of the
pendency of the appeal.
pendency of the appeal.
Okay, so total 29 lakh plus 10 lakh, you have deposited about 39 lakh.
39 lakhs.
Right.
Another 85,000 was kept in fixed deposit
Hmm.
in the name of the petitioner number. Number 2.
Hmm.
The same was matured and the FD amount was taken by the bank. I am not adding the interest, only 85,000.
Okay.
Now petitioner number 3 was also pledged NSC worth rupees 60,000.
Hmm.
That is
Sir,
at page 45.
So, you are challenging the appeal order. What did the appeal order say? What does it say?
Appeal is just copy paste of the dispute case.
Let's go to the appeal order. What is that?
Yes,
Annex 6.
appeal is 61. No, sorry.
Annex use Annex
48.
8.
Page 48.
Annex 8. Yes, what is the order? Let's see.
Reason is at page 60. Same 53 lakh 74,000, just copy paste with 12.5% interest.
So you are saying since you have paid a substantial amount, roughly half of the amount.
The lawyer of the bank
Hmm.
in the tribunal didn't agree that I have paid.
That, but lawyer may not agree, but you have paid. That's
I have paid, I annexed the receipts also.
you have paid, so you are saying, so if the amount had been given to you, that's 57 lakh.
The case would have been dropped,
So it should have been lower.
much lower. More than 40 lakhs is paid.
Okay, let's issue notice.
Now, my simple grievance is that I want to close my account.
Once I issue notice, let the other, who is anybody appearing for that? Let's see. Land council for the petition submits that. The petitioner was a loan from the opposite party bank. And a dispute case was instituted. Which was heard by the assistant register cooperative society in dispute case number 967. Is there 697 of 2009? Which was again challenged by the petitioner. Appealed before the Odisha, the cooperative tribunal Odisha Bhubaneswar. Under section 109, bracketed 1, bracketed J of Odisha Cooperative Societies Act 1962. The grievance of the petitioner is that even though he has deposited a substantial amount of money before the bank, which did not reflect in the order sheet passed by the order passed by the learned appellate tribunal. Though he is ready and willing to resolve the dispute by way of paying the outstanding amount.
Under OTS.
Let them come, we'll see. The authority, the state bank is not responding to petitioner's request In
Not supplying the statement of account.
not
of the bank.
responding the କହିଦେଲି ଗଲା ଆଉ ଏତେ କଥା କହିନି supply
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମତେ ଦରକାର statement of
ତ
account.
ଆସିଲେ ସେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ମାଗିଲେ ହବନି
ସିଏ ଫେର time ନେବେ।
let them come ଆଉ ଏମିତି କରିଦେଲେ ଅର୍ଡର ସେ ଧରିକି ଆସିବ ସବୁ ଧରିକି ଆସିଲେ ଆପଣ ନୋଟିସ ନ ଗଲେ ସେ ଆସିବ in view of the above the OP number 1 bank is should notice returnable on 7th February. By registration portal. Request me filed within 3 working days from today. 7th February. What is the IA for?
IA is for no coercive action.
In
The petitioner
in the meantime, there shall not be any coercive action
till disposal of the,
till the next date.
till next date, okay.
Till next date.
Okay, madam.
Next.
So 7th of February.
Yes.
Public. By
Item number
registered
6.
post, speed post.
Registered post. Speed post करिए करिए.
Speed post कर दो.
Registered
Flash कर दो.
plus speed post.
Obliged.
Item number
Next.
6.
6.
May I lordship, please. My lord, in this case, the petitioner availed a loan of 10 lakh CC loan as well as 20 lakh term loan in the year of 2010. Looking the return as well as repayment and their performance, the opposite party bank increased the CC loan as well as term loan up to, my lords, 80 lakh. Thereafter, my lord, in the year 19, the petitioner company faced a dilemma due to funny, my lord. They have purchased some machinery items. They are producing some
Face dilemma. What dilemma? Dilemma means what? To be, not to be. To be, not to be the dilemma.
My lord.
Here कौन आपको funny लगे to be, not to be
Because
को
of
डायला.
because of funny, my lord, what happens?
He
Taking that
faced
loan.
severe financial crisis.
Yes,
It is
my
a
lord,
dilemma.
I'm talking.
Dilemma word is not used for that.
My lord.
Dilemma word is used for Amitabh Bachchan.
My lord.
You know why? The person, very confusing person. To be, not to be. That's why his autobiography or biography, somebody has written to be or not to be.
Right.
So that is dilemma. So don't use the word dilemma.
Yes, ma'am.
Wrong use.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, in the after repayment, what happened there? They are obtaining loan and they have purchased some machine and they are doing some manufacturing work, etc. My lord. Thereafter, due to funny, my lord, all of their machinery products have been lost.
Where is it located?
My lord, in Trisulia, my lord. Trisulia, Oriental. What happens, my lord? Due to that mishap, the company they have deducted the
It's not mishap. That is a tragic natural calamity.
Yes, my lord. That
Sir, who use right word? You are lawyer.
my lord.
हाँ,
Due to that
sir,
natural
for that.
calamity, my lord, what
Don't say
happens?
mishap.
My lord, the insurance company,
Mishap ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ଯଦି ନିଆଁ ଲାଗିଯାଇଥାନ୍ତା.
my lord.
ଏଇଟା
Due to
ହଉଛି
that natural calamity, my lord,
Yes.
the insurance company, which is the sister concern of the concerned bank, my lord, they are earlier they had insured that entire that machineries, and after that, my lord, the surveyor from that company they have surveyed, and accordingly they are submit the report to their authorities, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, when they are not returned, the amount has not come. Thereafter, my lord, they are appealed before the state consumer forum, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, the concerned bank, the opposite party bank, my lord, on last year, they have for symbolic possession, they are given notice. Thereafter, the petitioner come to this my lord's court, and accordingly, my lord had this matter and directed for no courtesy action. And on 29/3/23, thereafter on 4/4/23, my lord directed for disposal of the early disposal of this matter before district consumer redressal forum. After that, my lord, district consumer forum, they are not entertaining our petition. They are said what the surveyor has made, what they are saying, that is right, not your statement is your statement is wrong. Because what we are submitting, my lord, it is loss is around 50 lakh. They said there is a loss of 1.5 lakh. But there is a loss. There admittedly there is a loss. Whether it is 1.5 lakh or it is 50 lakh, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, this present petitioner approached the appeal before the state consumer forum. When this appeal is present before there, on 12th of this month, on Friday night, they have still a notice in the wall of this present petitioner to forcefully evict him from the possession. Before that, they are obtained a direction from the CGM under section 14 of the Surface Act.
What do you want?
My lord, we are ready. If I will fail on the state consumer disposal, consumer redressal dispute center, then we are ready to repay. Till then, my lord, let us consider a prayer, not to evict us, because there is no, there is only this single residence of petitioner is on.
So when you have taken loan, did you know that?
No, we will repay, my lord.
Single resident is also at stake.
My lord, যেহেতু consumer forum এর অছি, they are accepting that there is a loss.
Because of the matter is pending, they will not take any action. There is no stay against you, against them.
Yes,
Why should
my lord,
not
that
take
is
any
what
action?
my lord, my prayer is like
Sorry,
that
sir,
only, my lord.
sorry.
My prayer is there, my lord.
Your consumer protection, that is a different issue.
Well,
The bank is concerned with their money.
Yes,
If money,
we are ready
if
to
you have
repay, my
pay
lord.
the
We are ready. We are ready to repay.
ready, then pay then. Why are you then saying ready?
Then my lord
Don't
gives the
tom-tom.
protection, we'll pay
This
something.
is tom-tomming. Ready and willing is a tom-tomming word. This, please don't tom-tom
My
ready
lord,
and willing.
they know, their sister concern, their surveyor,
We are
everything is there.
concerned about the sister concern or brother concern. The bank is only concerned about their returning back their money.
Right, my lord.
Yeah, so you
Right.
have to pay them. You are ready. You are
we'll-
so ready and
Then,
willing.
my lord, what happens? Because of the financial crisis, is
Bank is least bothered about, sir. Financial crisis, bank is public money.
right.
They should not bother about.
No, my lord,
You're depending on your case, what your case you decided, then you'll pay so merrily. The bank can't wait. When the case will be decided, then the case, if suppose that case goes in your, against you, then again you'll say ready and willing, ready and willing,
my
ready
lord,
and willing. What is
anyway,
this?
my lord, we are ready to resolve this matter. We are willing and we are ready.
Then what is the total outstanding? Then?
1.9 crore, my lord.
Pay him back. Pay him back within 3 months. If you're ready
My
and
lord,
willing.
entire it's not possible.
My lord, this is the
My lord,
related to Surface Act.
Surface, sir, then I should not hear the matter at all.
Page 15.
Sir, Surface Act, sorry.
My lord, this is pending.
Surface
And
Surface Act,
my lord,
I can't hear.
if page
See the
15,
matter
then my lord,
pertaining to
kindly
the
come to,
bench.
my lord.
As the matter belongs to.
No, my lord, kindly come to page 19, my lord.
Page
As
15.
the matter belongs to.
No Surface Act, my lord.
On ambit of Surface Act, let the matter be placed before the division bench of this court.
My lord, kindly, my lord, kindly 1 minute, I had my point, my lord. Kindly listen.
Sir, Surface Act.
My lord, if that is so,
power.
we are on the protection of the my lords, my lord.
No, I don't-
Kindly see, my lord, kindly see. I'll show you, my lord.
Protection कर देले बोल
No, no, my lord, that is not the, my lord. My lord, anyone coming to this my lord's courts and getting some protection.
को पेज कर ले अपन.
Page 15, man.
My lord, kindly see, my lord, 19, my lord.
15, Annexure 1. Page 15.
Kindly see, my lord, 10, 20, thereafter 20.
Sir, possession notice है ना नहीं Surface.
সেটা সরলানি, সেটা স্যার মানে last year. That was the last year.
तो फिर
Now
that is the continuity.
no, now therefore they want to forcefully evict the petition. That is,
obviously they will evict forcefully. Who can stop them?
my lord, kindly see page number 20, my lord.
Nothing doing, sir.
Kindly see, my lord, then if I have no point, then I'll leave, my lord. Kindly see page 20.
Sir, it is not to be heard by me.
No, since the matter is pending before state consumer forum,
there is nothing
let
to-
my lord kindly
that is a
direct to
separate
dispose this
proceeding.
matter.
Why are you arguing like a person who doesn't know anything? You are a fool.
My lord, my point is only one
A
sentence.
person who actually, so that is a totally different proceeding, mister.
That-
This is a different proceeding. This proceeding cannot.
I'm
be
not
dependent
challenging
on-
that. I'm not challenging.
Listen to me.
Yes.
This proceeding, this banking proceeding cannot be dependent on some state consumer forum order. It has to go independently.
Yes, my lord.
And then independently
Then
let it go.
I am not challenging that.
Then what are the challenges?
My prayer is that limited, very limited. My lord, direct and disposal of that petition pending before
The bank, then why are you saying all these?
Because what I am trying to say, my lord,
No,
we want to
from the beginning
resolve.
itself say.
We want to resolve
So you
with protection. We want to resolve this.
You are linking the banking and insurance together to that in banking, insurance, and also the consumer forum. Three things you are
Let them
linking.
to take up
Try to
instruction.
clarify. एठी क्लारिफाई न हेले सब एमती भूल हम आपन प्रॉब्लम मान कोन होची कि एठी क्लारिफाई नै एठी केतले क्लारिफाई हो फाइल को 5 थर पढिले आपन फाइल आसिला बेले केंदी एठी पढिबे एठी
मु जगह जमा पड़नी
आउ
जमा मु देखिनी आपन जा पचन मु आंसर को डायरेक्ट
ओ जमा देखि न फाइल त सेति में बोलु
मतलब द पॉइंट इज let them to take a
why
instruction.
are you not focusing on one thing? Simply you should have said that this is the problem. The matter has been pending. That's why I want. I would have passed it on. फटाफट लगा सब मैटर मिस दे
Let them to instruction.
No, again now you said consumer forum को भी करू एबे instruction काई नेबे से we'll come to the prayer.
Yes.
This is a sharp practice, to be very frank. এটা confuse করে
I never.
don't do this.
My lord, we are very clear.
No,
And my
not
lord is also
clear.
clear. How can
You are
I
not at all
confuse my
clear.
lord?
Not at all
We
clear.
can't confuse my lord.
Had you been clear, you should have focused straight on the insurance.
Why I said my lord, let a petition to be saved in any way it has to be.
This is not the way. This is not the way.
My lord, kindly say the
एक
prayer.
banking case, insurance case, consumer forum case, एक का संगे तीन टा को present करछो. This is not done. What is the prayer?
My lord, page 12. Expeditious disposal of FNR funds.
କିଛି କରିବିନି ମୁଁ. ସେଟା ବଟା ଦେବି ସେଟା ଯାହା କରୁଛୁ.
Can I pray one thing, my lord?
Just a minute. You have earlier approached this court on 29th of 2023.
My lord.
What is the order?
My lord, kindly see page 20. Yes, my lord. Para 5, my lord. In the meantime, no course of action shall be taken against the petitioner.
In the meantime, there no course of action. You are taking advantage of that.
No, I am not taking. This is the
Then?
fact, my lord. I am submitting. Thereafter, my lord, kindly please to
Just-
disposal of this
I'm-
matter
I'm-
on page 25, my lord.
This is the only reason why I don't pass this kind of interim order in a banking case. This is the only reason. People take advantage of that.
My lord,
Yeah,
kindly come to
we have
page
taken-
25.
yes,
My lord, directed to dispose the
yeah.
above noted case at the earliest possible.
Admit the case, issue notice to the sir, then issue written to sir, then issue written letter of sir, requesting the letter. ମାନେ ସବୁ ପୁରା ଗୋଟେ ଥିରେ ସବୁ. କି ବଢିଆ device ନା. The petitioner doesn't praise the prayer of 3 and 4. So it is only the petitioner praises the prayer for only 2. Accordingly, the State Consumer Dispute Resolution Commission within to এটা কেবেকার ম্যাটারটা
My lord,
কেবেকার ম্যাটার
in 2023, my lord.
23 ম্যাটার को ମୁଁ କାଇଁ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବି
Hey,
why should 23 ମ୍ୟାଟର को ମୁଁ କାଇଁ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବି ଜଲ୍ଦି ଡିସ୍ପୋଜାଲ କର ବୋଲି ମୋର କାମ ନାହିଁ ବିଲକୁଲ ନାହିଁ
And
ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ହିସାବରେ କରିବେ
even if
no this is misuse of power
then my lord, can
why
I
should
pray
this
one?
court
Okay.
I can understand a case for the last 4 year 5 year pending okay this court should have issued okay let's finish it but 23 when did you file the case in consumer forum
9th of 23, no, September,
23.
my lord.
9th
The-
of January
No, 9th of in the month of September 20.
September September 4-6 ମାସ ଭିତରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଡିଲେ ହେଇଗଲା ଆଉ ଲୋକର 5 ବର୍ଷ 4 ବର୍ଷ
Since they are taking forceful possession, lordship.
Sorry, the prayer card. The petitioner, the case, since the matter pertaining to, since the prayer pertaining to,
Can I pray one thing, my lord?
prayer 3 pertaining to the quashing of letter dated 12/1/2024, which is under the ambit of SURFACE Act. The petitioner is directed to approach the appropriate court for appropriate relief. Let the matter be appropriate relief. Accordingly.
Can I pray one thing, my lord?
Yes.
Ready to resolve this issue. If my lord,
Nothing is doing, simply dispose of. Next. This is not done. You are misusing. This is total misuse.
My name may be.
How can once surface stay କରିଦିଅ ଏଟାକୁ ଜଲ୍ଦି କ୍ୱିକ୍ କରିଦିଅ ଏଟା କଣ ଏଟା ଏଇ ଗୋଟେ ରେଟ୍ ଏଟା ତ ବଢିଆ ଟେକ୍ନିକ ଗୋଟେ ରେଟ୍ରେ ପୃଥିବୀ ଜାଗାରେ ଆଣିକି କରିଦିଅ ଏଟା କଣ ପରିକ୍ରମା ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ଏଠି ପରିକ୍ରମା
but this matter can be resolved also, my lord. If my lord, direct for
next ଏମିତି ହବନି ଏମିତି କରନ୍ତୁ this will damage your own personality. This will damage your as a lawyer, that is damaging. You know that this is damaging to you.
my intention is that
Intention maybe whatever may be your intention.
they are
No.
forcefully
No, intention is
they are forcefully
intention
evicting
advantage of all prayer
my lord, they are forcefully evicting.
Not they will. They have paid money.
Now people will violate protection. Will resolve this
I
issue.
don't want to give any protection, sir.
We
Your-
resolve this
this
issue.
client doesn't deserve any protection.
My lord, let them to take instruction. Will resolve this issue.
Bilkul
I
nothing.
will repay my amount.
Nothing.
Will repay.
Then repay tomorrow.
My lord,
Tomorrow.
tomorrow within a month.
I am not going to, एक minute भी matter, this code. is
Let
not-
my lord direct for a take
You
option
approve
instruction.
the appropriate code. Once surface says that this code is totally out of the matter.
That is
The
why my lord
surface order आइला पर आगे
the matter is pending before this consumer court. That's we count.
I should not. Consumer code is nothing to do with this matter. There is nothing to do with consumer matter. This is a loan issue.
They are insurance
That's why I am
company.
not necessarily arguing. Please, there is no loan issue. Loan issue can't be linked to a consumer issue. Please don't argue like this. This is irritating argument.
Okay.
Why can you argue? Loan is different, consumer is different. We are asking
Because of
you-
insurance, my lord, perhaps
Totally
because of
different.
insurance.
Totally different. You should have filed different petition for that. If the consumer protection, we want to expedite the matter, the separate petition should have been filed. Here in one petition, so many prayers with so many things. This is not done.
Okay.
And then next,
My
Item number 8.
item number 8.
My lord, my name may be.
Yes.
Item 8 may be taken up day after tomorrow. ma'am.
What is the?
Day after tomorrow. A conviction matter, I have to take instruction, my lord, day after tomorrow. File. Keep it to day after tomorrow.
Okay. Day after tomorrow, 31st January.
Okay.
Next,
Item number 9.
9. 9. Nine, not 10. Where is 9? 10. No, in 10. 9.
9 first to see.
Land transfer the state.
My name may be deleted, lords. My name, though, my name appears here, my lords. File is not with me.
Your name is there.
Yes,
As
my name.
petitioner.
Yes.
So it is infectious.
Pardon?
Prayer is to
It is infectious.
grant,
No, I don't have any instruction, my lords.
grants on prayer. Prayer is to grant one time to file SL. Leave to SL.
Infectious है इधर वाला.
Pleasure one is.
Without going to the merit of the case. Giving attention to the prayer of the petitioner. It shows that the prayer made in the petition to file it, to seek time for filing the SLP. And now so much time has passed. Since then, Next.
Item number 10.
May I please? My lord, the petitioner is the informant and the lower court convicted the opposite party number 2 under section 420.
You are the informant challenging the
order passed by the district judge Jagatsinghpur.
What is the order?
My lord, may kindly turn to the page number.
What is the order passed?
Yes, my lord. The lower court passed the order and convict the opposite party.
Don't
number-
say lower court. Where is the court?
Sorry,
The
sorry,
lower
my lord.
What is the
Sir,
lower
court below and court below, my lord.
So where is the lower court?
Sorry,
Don't say lower
sir,
court.
sorry, my lord.
The subordinate court you can say. District
Subordinate
court you
court,
can
yes,
say.
my lord.
Don't say lower.
Subordinate court convict the opposite party number 2 under section 427 of IPC.
Or you can take the name of the particular court, JMFC or.
JMFC, my lord.
Then you should say that
My lord.
JMFC falana.
Deeply sorry.
हाँ, फिर?
And
हाँ.
the Lonin district just set aside the order on the ground.
What is the order, sir? What is the order he said, right?
My lord, set aside the order passed by the Lonin JMFC
What
Raghunath.
is the order passed by
To
JMFC? What is the-
imprisonment,
what is the grievance you
yes, my lord.
concede?
Yes, my lord, imprisonment for 2 years under section 427 of IPC. My lord.
What is 427 of IPC?
My lord,
What is 427 of IPC?
causing mischief and damage the boundary wall of the petitioner by dashing the tractor. My lord.
Never.
Yes, my lord, never.
Okay. Then
My lord, now the.
you damage the boundary wall of your neighbor. or
Yes, my
somebody
lord, by means of tractor. My lord.
else. So what is your, defense for that?
My lord,
You is learning tractor, the driving the tractor, and then you just.
no, my lord, the intentionally, that there is a dispute.
So intentional.
Intentionally.
You also admit that is intentional.
My lord, the observation.
You admit that is intentional.
My lord,
You admit, your client admits that it is intentional.
yes, my lord, when
And
the
rightly, he has
petition.
been, rightly he has passed order. What is wrong in the order?
My lord, the Lonin district judge is set aside the order, my lord. set aside the order of
Okay.
convictions.
Then?
Then myself the informant and challenging the order of the learning district.
Oh, you are the informant.
Milord.
Sorry. Okay. So you are saying, he is saying that is not, I mean, you can say involuntary. You can say involuntary.
Milord.
Not voluntarily done, it was involuntarily done. He
Yes,
said.
Yes, yes.
You are saying it was voluntarily done,
Milord.
right? That's
Milord.
what you are
Milord.
saying? So,
Milord,
the
the
district judge,
opposite party number 2 is a habitual offender, Milord. And
what are you doing? How many cases are pending against you?
I got the information 2 number of cases is pending against.
2 number of cases. Habitual game दिखेगा 2 रे 8 10 15 थे habitual 2 रे कौन?
Milord, if the opposite party number 2 want to compromise the matter to the settlement, I have no objection. But I
कितने पैसा नेबे?
Milord,
कितने पैसा नेबे?
just it is fairly admitted that the boundary wall is a old boundary wall and the cost of rupees 2000 Milord, maximum
Only 2000 नेकी तो कर जानते ताले.
Let come the at least
2000 रुपए नेकी चलान तू मुझे order pass कर दिए. Let the
Milord,
2000 रुपए take 2000 रुपए and go.
fairly submitted. Fairly submitted that the boundary wall is old boundary wall that is damaged by the opposite party number.
Okay, issue notice. The turn have ready then solve. Why unnecessarily you are coming to 2000 टका आपण तो नियति 5000 अति कम रे नहीं थी से क्लाइंट को फायदा कौन
से habitual offender
गोड़ा छटंगा को दाना नटंगा मूछ के लड़ाई 1 and 2 these are 2 and 3 and copy 2 तंग copy दिया
बिल्ला
1 2 3 Mr. Moon waves of notice on behalf of state and 2 3 by registered post. Place the matter on 15th February. 15th February. Why are your case is not yet over? Why are you leaving so early? कौन बाथरूम जा रही अभी इतने क्या पढ़े जल्दी जल्दी या सर्वर मैटर सरू तो कम से कम ऑर्डर डिटेल कर पड़े जाउछ कौन डाउट होल पचार लेबो का पचारी कांथ ना के महात्मा गांधी को पचारी नेक्स्ट
Item 11.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, on the last occasion, you directed me to provide a judgment relating to the redemption of right to redemption of the any secured asset. Right to redeem any secured asset. One judgment I have to.
Redemption का मैं जानी नहीं ये बुझले. What is redemption?
Redeem to any.
What is redemption?
To take over the secured asset to.
Redemption माने take over secured asset. Who told you?
To take back the secured property to oneself.
Redemption. कम से कम फोन रखी छ फोन खोली के देखला मीनिंग टा पढ़िला कौन अछि redemption
The action of saving or being saved.
जोर से
The action of saving or being saved from sin.
Huh?
Being saved from sin. 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 SIN.
that is one এই context meaning कोन हवा देखंतु तार 10 टा meaning थिबा और in this context what is the meaning?
Redemption of mortgage property.
I am asking what is the meaning of redemption এই context meaning টা कोन हबो जेतले word टा आसीबो से word ର meaning doubt थिले जे dictionary देखिबो बाबू
The act of regaining ownership or
गोटे
possession
काम
of
करो जेते जूनियर गोटे जणे somebody has to take initiative जणे गोटे जूनियर जेते अच्छा समस्त गोटे WhatsApp group बनाओ ହେଲା I'll pass some good book good dictionary and you circulate कार बाजिला 500 टंका देबाक पड़ियो आपन एबे तापर फोन नियो 500 टंका दियो
पठे दो 500
हां आनंद
कौन गला
500 टंका दन स्टार्टिंग 500 ରୁ start मो 100 रे ब्लैक डिक्शनरी
Yes, ma'am.
सॉफ्ट कॉपी मो पकड़ा छै मो पठे you take it from him एगो दे दी but you have to circulate among your friends
Yes,
एका नेले हबनी
I will.
पचारि भी दे दे से देला ना नहीं न देला मो कोर्ट को पसु देबी नहीं बार कर देबी
I will serve.
हला
I will just serve.
सर्व टू ऑल यंग काउंसिल जिते यंग अछन 100 200 500 समाधान गोटे ग्रुप बना ऐसे ग्रुप रे के जज मान गाली दबनी हला
Not at all.
this is this happens Okay, anyway, redemption, what do you mean by redemption?
Redemption is the act of regaining ownership or possession of something.
Art of regaining ownership, that is the right answer.
Right.
ଆଉ ତମ ପଢୁଥିଲ ଅଲଗା scene, ସେଟା ତ ସେଇ
That is the normal law.
philosophical meaning ରେ ଆସିବ.
Normal law.
So art of regaining. Regaining means you have given some property, something, then you have to return back. That is redemption.
Yes,
right?
my lord.
Yes, now tell me. Whenever you are reading something, whenever you find such kind of difficult word, you must go to the dictionary and find out that. That is what one should do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Last time you have asked me to provide that judgment copy that I am placing before you.
What is the issue? What is the issue raised?
The issue regarding the once the sale certificate is issued, then right of redemption of the secured stand vested, like stand extinguished.
Sorry, I can get. Can you repeat?
Once the sale certificate is issued, then the right of redemption of the borrower stand extinguished.
I didn't get. Again, repeat.
Once sale certificate is issued.
Are you nervous?
No, my lord.
Feel comfortable. It seems you are nervous. Give some water. In pani diya. Let him.
I'm okay, my lord.
Take it. Comfortable. Feel comfortable. Water gives a lot of comfort. That's why have some water. Again, pani. Don't know. Yes.
Once the sale certificate is issued, then right of redemption of the borrower stand extinguished.
Very good. Yes, you are right. Then
on that front, I am
pani. Ago pani piyo.
It's okay.
You should have more and more water. You should hydrate your body. The more you drink water, body will be more hydrated and you'll feel more fresh. Yes, now argue.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
On that point, I am relying on judgment that is Cellir LLP versus Buffon Motors of 2023 matter.
What is the judgment say? What does the judgment say?
Judgment summarizing that.
So you'll only read alone and will not give us a copy.
Yes, my lord.
Are not entitled. Give us. Give the copy. I thought you are conjuice and you have kept one copy.
No, my lord.
No. Okay.
There's page number 64, last paragraph number 105, subpara triple I.
Who is the auction purchaser? Here. Who is the auction purchaser? You are the auction purchaser.
No, I am for the bank. He has filed a petition to include him as a party.
You are auction purchaser.
No,
my lord. I am the petitioner.
He is the borrower.
Borrower?
Yes, my lord.
You are arguing against you. You are arguing against you.
No, lord. On that day, your lordship has asked him about the judgment. He has not brought the copy of the judgment for that reason.
No. He is the auction purchaser, no?
No. He is the borrower.
Oh, I was thinking the auction purchaser. Then you don't have case then. This case is meant for auction purchaser, sir.
ସେଦିନ ସେଇ କଥା କହୁଥିଲା ଆପଣ
Auction purchaser case ta. The confirmation of sale by bank under section so invest the successful auction purchaser with a vested right to obtain a certificate of sale of the immovable property in form given in appendix so rule according to rule 9(6) of SURFACE. I guess we are arguing against you.
Lordship, you just asked me about that judgment.
Fine, I asked you, but the argument is against you.
Yes, I know.
So once the sale is affected, your right is extinguished then and there. You cannot claim further. Earlier, the court, approach was sometimes okay. The last moment, since he has emotional attachment to the property, he has so many things are there. So bank used to say, okay, le lo, de do. Interest देगी ताकि फेरे दिया किंतु एबे सिंधे नहीं एबे once गला नहीं गला once auction purchase ही गला sell ये certificate दे देने बना no further looking back. This is the position of law right now, and this what you have given me this is against you.
Against me. That I.
Yeah, right. You have done a good job by bringing this copy and also spending so much money on the printout. But unfortunately, very bad case. I appreciate for your case, this case law, but case is
That is different. You just asked me, that's why I.
Yeah, very good. That's I appreciate. I'll get a glass pani please.
No, I'm okay now.
Okay.
My-
So
Lordship,
may
may I place my case, my lord?
yeah, please place your thing.
Your lordship,
This is the law, I told you. This is the law. And also bank also agrees with that law. This is the law.
that my senior teacher.
Huh?
That he the only
This is,
person who teaches me.
this is by 3-judge bench. Justice Chandrachud.
JB
No,
party wala,
two
two
judges, sorry,
judges.
party wala.
That is the recent judgment.
Recent judgment. So it says no. Once gone, gone. So now you argue.
Lordship, without like my petitioner took a loan in 2015 for a tractor loan of 5 lakhs, which amounts to including the interest that 8,65,000. For total 80 installment that he already completed as per the index in the annexure 2. He completed my petitioner paid all the amount my loan amount, but suddenly they gave they seized the property. The bank seized the said vehicle without giving any reason and the purchase. That is my case.
So bank sees the reason ko main thebo. Apan paisa dele na seize kala.
No, my lord. I think I paid all the amount. Just annexure 2. On the last occasion also when I first appeared that I have.
You understand? You could not pay in time. That's a bank took the drastic step, and they went on selling your thing, right? Now you came suddenly. No, I want to pay back the money, whatever you want, and return back the tractor. Tractor?
Yes, my lord. Tractor with the trolley.
Okay. So they say no. Once sale is affected, we can't. We are hell-bent. We can't do anything.
But without like lordship, the bank without giving us any notice that they did not send any 13
Notice
Bank
13 to दिया जाने थे
notice कौन दे?
vehicle 13 to no
Vehicle ले सीधा अपना पैसा दे सीधा.
notice दिया जो तापरे vehicle 13 to no से कोई जे outstanding ସେତେବେଳେ ଥିଲା 3,33,806 30/19 ସୁଧା जो account statement ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି. Now it is also after sale there is near about 3 lakhs more. 2,30,000 ରେ ବିକ୍ରି ହେଇଛି.
ଆପଣ ମାନେ କେତେ ଦିନ ଟାଇମ ପାଇଲେ ସେ
19 ମସିହାରେ ଏଟା
नहीं how much time he did get ମାନେ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ନେଲା ପରେ କି ଟାଇମ ଦଉଥିବେ ନା ଯେ
ହଁ ବିକିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ନୋଟିସ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି
କେତେ ଦିନ
15 days ନୋଟିସ ଦିଆଯାଇଥିଲା.
ସେଠି ତ ପାଇଥିବେ ନା
ପାଇଥିବେ.
ସେତେବେଳେ ପଇସା ଦେଇଦେଲେ ୟୁଏସଟି ଜାଣିବେ like the petitioner files the petition for direction to the opposite party to issue no objection certificate in vehicle tractor of the petitioner bearing registration number OD09D of 47341 and trolley number 0809D of 7342 since the opposite party have already taken all the loan dues. Land concept of the bank submit that at the time of the seizure of the what is that? Seizure of the tractor, the loan outstanding was how much?
ନାଇଁ ସିଜର ବେଳେ ତ 4 lakhs ସମଡ ଥିଲା. ସିଜର ବେଳେ ସେଟା 5,65,000 ଥିଲା ସିଜର ବେଳେ.
5,65,000 at the time of seizure, and the petitioner was given sufficient opportunity to pay the amount, to repay the amount, repay the said amount, but the petitioner could not repay the loan. Hence, the bank was forced to dispose of the said tractor to recover the outstanding dues. So now total amount is covered.
No, there is near about 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs 30
About tractor बिकिले बरा.
2,30,000 ରେ ଗଲା.
हाँ, इतने कम.
ट्रैक्टर आଜ୍ଞା सेकंड हैंड ट्रैक्टर केते रे जीव?
ट्रैक्टर तो बहुत रिसेल वैल्यू बहुत आपण जानते बोले. की कहला? ट्रैक्टर रिसेल वैल्यू अधिक है सर. गां गली ट्रैक्टर सेकंड हैंड नबा पे लोक पागल.
नहीं बिलोंग्स टू केउंझर.
आपण गाले गां रो रही ना.
ମୁଁ ପୁରା ଗାଁରେ ମୋର ଚାଷ ଜମି ବି ଆଜି ଚାଷ ହଉଛି।
ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଗାଁରେ ତାର ଧନୀ ଲୋକମାନେ ଥିବେ ସବୁ ନୂଆ ନୂଆ କିଣିକି।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ନୂଆ ନୂଆ ନାଇଁ
ଅଲଗା ଆଡେ
ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟର
ସବୁଆଡେ
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ
tractor
ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟର ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାର ମାନେ
3 ଲାଖ ବି ହେବେନି ହେବନି।
2,30,000 ରେ ବିକ୍ରି ହେଇଛି ଅକ୍ସନ।
ତାପରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେତେ ବାକି ଅଛି ପୁଣି
ଆଉ 2 ଲକ୍ଷ କେତେ 3 ଲକ୍ଷ କେତେ ହବ
ତ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ପଇସା।
ସିଏ ତା ଦବ ନ ଦବ ତାକୁ କଣ ନୋଟିସ ଦେବେ ସେ ଅଲଗା କଥା ଏଇଖିଣା ଦେଇ
Anyway, since the tractor has already been sold and to recover the outstanding amount, still the outstanding amount has not been recovered from the sale of proceeds of the tractor. Hence, the petitioner is still with a the petitioner is still with an outstanding loan of rupees.
ଖାଲି ଆଉଟଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ଥାଉ ସେ ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ଅସୁବିଧା ହବ ତାକୁ ହବ।
Some outstanding
ତାଙ୍କୁ
loan.
ଅସୁବିଧା ହବ।
Okay. At this point, this court cannot reverse the clock since the tractor has already been sold and the sale proceeds has already been adjusted towards the outstanding loan. Accordingly, the prayer of the petitioner, what is your prayer?
Seizure, release of
For releasing the seized tractor cannot be entertained, accordingly dismissed. କିଛି କରିହେବନି କଣ କରିବା? Thank you for this judgment. Welcome. Next.
Item 12.
12.
My lord and senior is to
Already the proposals submitted by the petitioner for OTS has been approved.
That hospital.
yes ma'am.
Yes, that has been approved and communicated yesterday evening.
ହେଇଗଲା.
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ତ instruction ଥିଲା ଖାଲି ଆଜ୍ଞା approval ପାଇଁ କି on the last
That has approved and so far instruction is
last evening my lord I contacted.
communicated him yesterday evening.
To client.
Client.
Our client को पता नहीं
नहीं काली रात्रि पचारଥିଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା no instruction was received by my client my lord. My learned friend is saying that my lord he has communicated.
to 24th hours.
Yes my lord lord काली keep it.
So that if any communication बाटरे थी वो काले पहुंची नहीं।
हे मेल है ठीक है।
हाँ मेल भी बड़े बड़े नेटवर्क स्लो हो जाए। So let's 24th
25th yes.
22
because
22 आसु।
नहीं my personal problem.
22 अच्छा दिन आप ना?
नहीं my personal difficulty uncle expert that are my
केबे
25th is
19
नहीं in between I will be
जॉना
नहीं already communicated
request करछि my learned friend को गोटे copy भी मते
नहीं I have received because they have sent me mail I was available in my office.
Copy अछि
नहीं I was not available in my office.
So 19 रे हेबो 19 आपण विसिरे कर देबे यार
ओके
विसिरे कर देबे
19th
ओके 19 नहीं 19 नहीं 22 था by chance 22 था
whatever amount my lord they have proposed my lord I have instructed my client to agree with that proposal my lord.
नहीं
they have instructed 6.1.
Let's 19 sorry 22
my lord.
My lord another prayer with your lordship my lord. Item number 20 may be passed over my lord, it may be taken up at 2 my lord.
20
item number 20 my lord.
ठीक
because I have a matter at DRT my lord.
ठीक है
Kindly take up this matter after this.
230 कर दो next
13.
13
My lords.
yes sir.
Lordship, move petitioner being Meghnad Reddy. My deceased mother have account in SBI Ganjam branch. ସେତେବେଳେ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ କଲା ବେଳୁ ମୋ ମାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଥିଲା କୁଲେଇ ସତ୍ୟମ ପ୍ରଧାନ ସରି କୁଲେଇ କାକାମା ପ୍ରଧାନ ଯେତେବେଳେ କି ମା ମୋ ଅଜାଙ୍କ ଘରେ ରହୁଥିଲେ ମୋ ଅଜାଙ୍କ ନାଁ
ମୁଁ ଏମିତି ଗଲା ଅଜାଙ୍କ ବୁଝିପାରିନି ଟିକେ ଭଲ ଇଂଲିଶ ରେ କହ
Lordship. That's when my before married, my mother in his father's house. My mother's father's house name is Kulei Satyamu Pradhan. That means
father's house name.
A grandfather, my grandfather, Aja.
Grandfather's name.
Yes.
Maternal grandfather name.
Maternal grandfather K Satyamu Pradhan. Lordship.
So accordingly, the mother's name was K. Meghanatha
Pradhan. K Kakyamma Pradhan.
Kakyamma Pradhan.
Right.
Then the name changed.
Yes, sir.
What is the new name?
New name is B Kakyamma Pradhan.
B Kakyamma Pradhan.
My
petitioner name.
petitioner, my
Who is the petitioner?
B. Meghnad Reddy,
Who is he?
nominee of my
Nominee.
my lord.
What is the relation between the nominee and the
Son, only one son of my.
So son, not
Yes.
son is the nominee, na?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the problem?
Problem is sir, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଖାତାଟା ହେଇଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ନାଁଟା ଥିଲା sir
English ରେ.
ହଁ ସେତେବେଳେ name is states K ସତ୍ୟାମୁ ପ୍ରଧାନ my maternal grandfather name. Then my name is K Kakyama Pradhan. But my new after marriage my name changed. That's it.
The Meghnad Reddy is the son. Is it
Yes,
correct?
my lord.
Meghnad Reddy is the son.
My lord.
So what is the problem I'm asking?
Problem my lord ଖାତାଟା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଓପେନ ହେଇଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ କେ ଆଉ ଟାଇଟଲ ରହିଥିଲା ପ୍ରଧାନ ଆଫ୍ଟର ମ୍ୟାରେଜ ମୋର ସେଇଟା ହେଇକି ବି ରେଡି ହେଇଗଲା ମୋର ମୋ ମାଙ୍କର ଦି ଜଣ ଯାଙ୍କର ସେଇଟା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ଗୋଟେ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ବି ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲି ରନିଂ ପେଜ ନମ୍ବର 15
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କଣ କହୁଛି ଏବେ?
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରିଲିଜ କରୁନି କହୁଛି ତମ ଟାଇଟଲ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଆଉ ତମ
Title is surname.
ସରନେମ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଯାଇଛି
Title and surname is the difference ମତେ କହିଲା ଆଗ ଆଗ କହିଲେ କି ଆକୁ ଯିବି. What is the difference between title and surname?
ସରନେମ କଣ ଜାଣିছে ଟାଇଟଲ ଜାଣିନି
Surname କଣ? ଆପଣଙ୍କ surname କଣ?
ସରନେମ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ନେମ ଅଫ
Last name, what is that? Family name. That is called family name.
ସରନେମ
What is the family name?
फैमिली नेम
Family lineage होता है. प्रधान 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 साहू 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 साहू. This is a family name बोलते.
लॉर्डशिप
Genealogical name. Sometimes it's also called. So that is what your surname is?
सरोज कुमार साहू
Sahu. Your surname is Sahu?
लॉर्डशिप
Acha, Sahu. What is the first part? Saroj.
माय नेम
That is title. है ना? That is the difference between title and surname.
लॉर्डशिप
Did you know that this is title? Title means name.
लॉर्डशिप
Surname. Surname is the other part.
लॉर्डशिप
What is this? Yes, now it's accepted.
लॉर्डशिप ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଫାଇଲ କଲି ସେଠି କହିଲି ଯେ ମୁଁ ଆଇ ଆମ୍ ବୋଥ କୁଲେଇ କାନକାମା ପ୍ରଧାନ and B କାନକାମା ରେଡ୍ଡି same and one person. Also I am in 6 number K Meghnad Pradhan and B
How
Meghnad
much
Reddy.
money is there lying in the bank?
30,000.
30,000. How much money you have spent in court kachari?
No, my lord, he is my friend.
Friend. You are
My-
doing pro bono job.
My lord.
What is pro bono?
No,
Don't know.
I'm fresher, my lord.
Fresher.
My lord.
केबे
3 months.
केबे join करले?
3 months.
3 months. Law पढ़ला वाले pro bono word केबे सुनना दी?
My lord.
Pro bono publico. Have you never heard this sentence? Pro bono publico. Pro bono means a
जानने
person who does something without any expectation,
My
without any money, without anything, in kind, nothing, not in money, neither in money nor in kind. This is a pro bono.
My
So you are doing pro bono.
my lord.
Okay. Okay. So bank help him.
Last occasion, you also directed to the bank to regarding the nominee name of nominee and the
Nominee
amount
is
in
the
the SB
nominee.
account.
Ah.
Amount in the SB account.
Okay.
That is name of nominee is Kullei Meghnad Pradhan and the petitioner is B Meghnad Reddy.
Kullei Meghnad Pradhan.
Pradhan.
Pradhan because of father.
Satyamu
After marriage become Reddy, na?
my lord.
Earlier it was your mother was Pradhan,
My lord.
right?
My lord.
And
After-
how son could be Pradhan?
Son
again?
Pradhan.
No, my lord, when my child time, I leave my maternal grandfather house.
Okay.
At the time, my own name also.
In this southern part, there is big problem. One of my very good friend, whose father was Das, and son is Patnaik. I said, how can this possible? It is possible. In Telugu, it is possible. Telugu Patnaik, they say Patnaik. Father like writes Das. So this is I know very peculiar things happen. So don't unnecessarily trouble him. Help him. These smaller things, why should you understand? So you are the same person, everything is same. Okay, I'm passing out. Now the plant comes with the petitioner, submits that. Because of some discrepancy in the name of the petitioner, the bank is not releasing the proceeds of the savings bank's account, bearing savings bank's account number 33621920246 at SBI Ganjam branch. At which place? Ganjam.
Lots.
Ganjam.
Lots.
So he further submits that the late mother of the present petitioner had a savings bank's account with the said branch. In the meantime, the mother had died. In the meantime, mother died, had. The petitioner being the only son is the nominee of the said account. After the death of the mother, the petitioner approached the bank for release of the savings bank's proceeds of the savings bank, release the proceeds of the savings bank account. However, the bank refused to release the same on the ground of non-matching of the name of the mother. Sorry, name of the
son, the nominee.
Name of the nominee with the
Nominee is the Kulei Meganath Pradhan, but son's
nominee
name
with
is B. Raghunath Reddy.
Huh?
Nominee is Kulei Meganath Pradhan. Son of B. Meganath Reddy.
Okay. With the deceased and the discrepancy, the name of the deceased, account holder and that of the nominee. Full stop. And concept for the petitioner further submits that there are some discrepancy in the name because the mother name was carrying her paternal surname, whereas the petitioner is carrying his paternal surname. Problem solved. Because of such confusion, there is a discrepancy in the name. So, be that as it may, this court is of the view that this is a hyper-technical objection which should be ignored and the petitioner be released the amount forthwith as and when he demands for the same.
After submission of KYC, that account has to stop.
As and when he submits the KYC. What is KYC?
Know your customer.
Customer.
Let's say.
Accordingly, the writ petition is disposed. Next.
Deep learner.
Item 14.
14.
14.
What is that? 14. Prime Minister Fasal Bima Yojana. Ere gute sang rasu. Fasal Bima. Let it be hard together all the batch. The entire batch is
14 to 9.
Huh?
14 to 9.
It is kono? Huh?
That date asu and apply.
14. No, 14 is not consumer law. 14 is
One inquiry has been made and that has not been carried out.
Fasal Bima Yojana. Fasal Bima Yojana.
That's I get.
You have to take it.
Whether that is implemented or not.
Okay. Non-consumer petition is the state 6 1 week time to take instruction. 6th February. Next.
15.
15.
My lord, but this is the case, my lord, where the State Consumer Commission dismissed the appeal, the statutory appeal for non-prosecution, and other day also directed me to take a, to go through the judgment rendered by your lordship.
Sir, you file the case
Yes.
and you are not visible in the consumer forum, then what will happen?
No, from 2018
Hmm.
till 2023,
Hmm.
throughout I am appearing. Only last two occasion I didn't appear, and
Give-
lordship judgment authored by
give
your
the-
lordship.
give the order.
Division means income tax appeal matter. Lordship, can you go through the paragraph 11
This is
and
my first judgment. I always remember this.
paragraph 11 and 12? Number of
So you
judgments.
you should give a region order, right?
It is in order.
Okay. The petitioner challenges the order dated 22/9/2022 dismissing the FA number 504 of 2018 for non-prosecution and order dated 8/8/2023 passed in RA review application number 85 of 2023 filed under section 50 of the Consumer Protection Act 2019 to review and recall the order dated 22/9/2022 passed in FA number 504 of 2018 and to restore the appeal to file the state consumer file by the State Consumer Dispute Redressal and before the State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission Odisha Cutoff. He submits that the petitioner was all along present on each date of posting of the matter, but unfortunately on which date? The 8/8. On 8/8/2023, the petitioner was not present and the case was dismissed for non-prosecution. He further submits that the forum, the state forum, the State Consumer Commission should not have dismissed for non-prosecution. ये OLR रे जो line लेखो नहीं ये जो past है ये pathetic.
Placitum.
Placitum is so pathetic. लेकिन जो want of prosecution, non-prosecution लेकिन want of prosecution, non-prosecution. The commission ought to have decided the appeal on merit, even if the petitioner was not present at the time of filing of the matter. This court in writ petition number 2487 of 2019 passed by the division bench of this court in Ravindra Kumar Mohanty versus Registrar Income Tax Appellate Tribunal, Cuttack, Bench Cuttack, has held that the appellate authority is required to hear both the sides if in case the one party is not present in the hearing, during the hearing, the commission ought to have decided the appeal on merit in such view the matter. Let the matter be remitted back to the State Consumer Forum and decide it afresh by giving opportunity of hearing to the party, by giving a hearing to the party and pass a reason order. How? Next.
16.
16.
16 matter.
Yesterday was listed. So their main grievances is to settle the loan account, but the fact remains the total mortgage area, they have sold out during the subsistence of the mortgage.
So how could you sell?
Well, it's, yesterday my learned friend supplied.
No. When you are mortgaging something, how can you sell part of the land without permission of the bank?
This yesterday I have received the information from my learned friend. My learned senior is conducting the case. Only I pray only breathing time I can given to
କେତେ ଦିନ ଟାଇମ ନେବେ ଏଥିରେ ଏଇ ଗୁଡେ
Monday.
କୋର୍ଟର କାମ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ
Only Monday. I pray only Monday. Yesterday I have got
small matter could be finished within 2 minutes.
only for Monday. I pray.
ତ ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ଆର୍ଗୁ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି?
Just now my learned friend.
24 ଦେଲା।
Oh, blessed me.
Next.
Much obliged.
Item 17.
Hello. The present petition is taking loan for vehicle loan, my lord, 8,50,000, my lord. In last occasion, your lordship directed whether he has deposited take the instruction. The bank also present. In last, your lordship kindly pay the annexure, annexure 3, running page 32. Last occasion is deposited like
10 lakh 5,000. Total outstanding.
10,000.
Total outstanding.
10,000 can be. So why don't you go and approach the bank and bank will consider?
Because the vehicle seized that is the not
Which vehicle?
Bolero.
Bolero.
Aye.
Bolero price kete? Nuada kinle market re?
I have no idea.
Roughly
10 lakhs, roughly 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs sir ये मिलूनी छोटा कार में मिलूनी
10 lakhs, 11 lakhs होगा.
10 lakh छोटा कार आजकल मिलूनी. News 8 ରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହଉଛି high model କିଣିଲେ 10 lakh plus ପଡୁଛି.
New Bolero is a high price, but as you know, old Bolero agro se 11 to 12 lakhs.
କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର?
It ହେଲାଣି
Bank seized after how many years?
Siege
siege ହେଇନି.
not siege.
Siege ହେଇନି.
Seizure notice release.
Notice kali.
19
50% will report from installment only because my father is under treatment. So that's
don't say all this. Sir, in bank case, the father treatment, mother treatment,
I know
my wife treatment, my children treatment, all these things don't say.
Consideration is
These
this.
are not considerable points.
Obliged.
In bank case, only thing when you are going to pay, when you will be able to pay, this is the only consideration. You cannot say my father is in ICU, my mother is bad. So you should not say all these things. Bank case,
The petition is a bona fide.
Bona fide,
repaid
pay him.
all the-
Bona fide means pay him.
50%.
50% is the bank accept call it. Unless the bank accept, you approve the bank. The petitioner to approve the bank with a decent proposal of OTS if available, and the bank shall consider in accordance with law, according to disposal. And this the petitioner to approach within 1 week from today, the bank shall dispose of his application
15 days because
within 15 days.
within a time no course back.
During ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତ ଆଗ ଦେଇ ନାହାନ୍ତି.
Bona fide.
Okay, during the till the decision is taken in the meeting. No acceptable.
Obliged.
My name may be a card.
Yes, bank. Next.
Item 18.
18. This is again a lollipop, I will tell you. I have no option but to pass a lollipop order. I know very well this is a lollipop order. Still I am doing, I don't have another option. କିଛି ନାହିଁ option ମୋ ପାଖରେ. ଆପଣ ଯିବେ ଫେରି ଆସିବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ପୁଣି ଆସିବେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି. Knowing fully well what to do. Because in bank matter court has very limited power. Yes, next.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lord, on the last occasion, Your Lordship was pleased to direct me to implead the informant as opposite party number 2, and I have impleaded her as OP number 2, and that I have filed.
Issue notice to the informant.
I have filed the contract. That is at flag B.
You pay that. Within 3 working days. Place the matter on 16th February.
My Lord, may I pray for interim stay, Your Lordship?
What is interim
My
stay?
Lord, in fact, discharge petition has been rejected by the learned court below. And the petitioners before my Lord are old aged persons, only being in-laws they have implicated.
What is the age?
Petitioner number 1 is 79. 2 is 72 and 3 is
No
70
pursuing
years.
action in the meantime. Huh?
Obliged.
Till the next. Next.
Item 21.
Considering the age, considering the age. ପଢଉଛନ୍ତି କଣ ମ? ସରି ନି ପଳେଇଲୁ କଣ? ଏଇ କଣ ଏତେ ବାଥରୁମ? କଣ ପାଣି ତ ଦେବାକୁ ପିଇବାକୁ ଦେଇନି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ? Considering the age of
All the three petitioners.
କାହାର କେତେ କେତେ age କହିବେନି?
Petitioner number 1 is 79 years and 2 is 72 and 3 is 70 years, Your Lordship.
Considering the septuagenarian age of the petitioners, considering the petitioners are septuagenarians, this court is of the view that this court directs against not to take any persecution. You know what is septuagenarian?
And in fact, no matter that
70
particular
ବର୍ଷ ଉପରକୁ ଯାଉ septuagenarian କହିଲେ 80 ହେଇଥିଲା କଣ କହିବେ 80 ହେଲା octogenarian 90 ହେଇଥିଲା nanogenarian ହେଲା now
in the school days we have read that hepto hexo
50 ଥିଲା
50
ଥିଲା କେତେ
hepto I think
hepto କେମିତି ହବ
pento sorry
6 ହେଲା hexa yeah. Okay, next.
Item 21.
21.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, Your Lordship was pleased to have this matter in the instance of the other co-active persons, and their bail applications has already been allowed by Your Lordship.
What is the case about?
A case, my Lord, 302, and other alleged offences, my Lord.
What is his rule?
Role, my Lord, omnibus in nature, my Lord. All the allegations are omnibus in nature.
No, tell me what is this? Omnibus ହେଲେ ବି କୁହନ୍ତୁ.
who କହୁଛି? Allegations that, my Lord, believing that practicing witchcraft practicing, my Lord, that it is alleged when the father and mother.
You killed that witchcraft lady.
Yes, my Lord.
Killed, yes.
Yes, my Lord. They 3 persons were killed by the villagers, and I am one of the villagers, and it is alleged when the father and mother of the informant
3
were.
person killed.
Yes, my Lord.
On witchcraft.
Yes, my Lord.
Which district? Mayurbhanj.
My Lord, that is the
Or Rayagada.
Gunupur, my Lord.
Rayagada.
Rayagada.
I know that.
Rayagada.
District basically.
Aye.
Mayurbhanj this side and Rayagada that side.
Rayagada.
The maximum. Rayagada, Malkangiri come. Rayagada basic.
Aye.
So 3 person have been killed.
My Lord, Your Lordship was.
Seriously.
My Lord, I have passed over the order that Your Lordship was had this matter in the instance
Didn't
of the
pass over. He passed on.
other
He
co-accused.
passed on the order. Didn't pass over the order. Pass over.
That all the co-accused persons already released on bail by Your Lordship.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ରୋଲ କଣ ଥିଲା କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି?
More role hoche again that I myself was among the other assailants who assaulted
other
the
assailants have
deceased,
been released.
already released on by Your Lordship only on the ground of the judicial custody that they are in custody since 2019.
ଆପଣ
Till date.
2019 ଅଛନ୍ତି.
Again, that I am in custody, my Lord, since 28 to 2019.
Similar order. Okay. Petitioner being similarly placed and has been in custody for such a long time. And what is the stage of the trial?
Trial, my Lord, that out of 31 witnesses, 9 witnesses has already been examined.
The progress of the trial has been very tardy and not likely to be over in near future.
Bail rejection fee.
Okay. Next.
22.
22.
Shankar.
22. 22.
I am for the OP number 2.
Yes.
P2, I am for the opposite party number 2.
Who is for the petitioner? 97. Very old case. I'm sure many of them may not be born. At least the young councils. Many of them may not be born by the time. So this is very old matter. It's for what? What is it for?
Order is to go not as noting.
What is the issue? Any idea?
Departmental proceeding.
You are for?
I am for the OIC, government undertaking of
Orissa.
Odisha Agro Industries Corporation.
Agro Industries. The matter is pertaining to the year 1997. And in the meantime, so many times the matter has been listed on so many occasions. But the matter listing ही नहीं बहुत समय बहुत लंबा सा केस 2014 रे ହେଇଥିଲା all this matter through so the matter was have been listed this matter has been listed on some occasions in the interest of justice the last chance may be granted to the opposite party to appear in person or through his advocate.
No, opposite party no petitioner.
Sorry, petitioner. You are for the opposite party. I'm sorry. List the matter on 24th hours. What a chance there. Next.
23.
May I please your lordship.
23.
Yes, may I please your lordship. Last week, this matter was before your lordship, my lords. My submission was that in view of the changed law, I don't have any case, my lords. Your lordship wanted me to prepare a written note and give the decisions.
In view of the change law, what is the change law?
Because what happened here, the complainant is the owner of a auto rickshaw, passenger carrying auto rickshaw. It is a commercial vehicle. And at the time of the accident, he was driving the vehicle on the basis of a license authorizing him to drive LMB non-transport. And later on, he got transport. But in view of 2017, the Honorable Appeals Court says that person holding a LMB license requires no endorsement, he can drive a transport vehicle. And that was, thereafter it was challenged before the larger bench before the High Court, the Supreme Court, my lord. And the Supreme Court says that till pending decision of that reference, this decision will govern the case. Written note, but I have not signed it, my lords, because
not a problem. Written note is not required to sign.
No, it is not खाली fact गुड़ा कुछ it will be easier for you.
Yeah. The present opposite party is an applicant before the complaint before the ombudsman who filed the complaint number BHU G 4814150132 for the Learned Insurance Ombudsman Orissa Bhubaneswar challenging the repudiation of OD claim. In the present case, the complainant is that he is the owner. The complainant is the owner of the Mahindra Alpha Auto Rickshaw bearing OR 21C 4783, which was insured with the present petitioner, covering the period from 9/11/2012 to 8/11/2013 as a passenger carrying commercial vehicle. He further submits that, land comes for the petitioner further submits that, opposite party further submits that. On 9/4/2013, when the complainant himself was driving the vehicle, it met with an accident and got damaged. Hence, the claim was filed before the insurance company. The petitioner.
The same was repudiated. Your lordship.
I'm coming to it. Petitioner was the opposite party before the consumer forum. Appeared and stated that after the incident, surveyor was deputed who assessed rupees 26,500. But on scrutiny, it was found that the owner was driving the vehicle on the basis of DL, authorizing him to drive LMV, three-wheeler, non-transport with effect from 19/7/2010, whereas the insured vehicle was a transport carrying vehicle. That after the matter was referred to the STA and on his direction, the RTO Cuttack clarified that the driver was authorized to drive only three-wheeler, non-transport and transport goods and bracketed goods vehicle. Despite notice, the complainant did not appear. The learned forum below in para 6 of the impugned order held that since the laden weight of the vehicle was 800 kg and below 7,500 kg. In view of section 2, bracket 21, read with section 2, bracket 35 and 47 of MB Act. The DL was effective on the date of the accident. The learned forum directed the present petitioner to settle the case on non-standard basis. He further submits that the Honorable the Apex Court in a decision reported in 8 December
2017 volume 4 case.
2017
17
Patina Messrs. Bajaj.
Mukundam Devangan.
Mukundam Devangan versus Oriental Insurance Company Limited. 2017
17.
4 TSC 11 SC held that a transport vehicle and omnibus gross weight of either which does not exceed 7,500 kg would be light motor vehicle, and no separate endorsement on license is required to drive a transport vehicle of light motor vehicle class as enumerated in para 24 to 30 and 45, 46. The FX Court in Civil Appeal number 841/2018, read a order dated 22/11/2023, has also held that during the pendency of this reference, the said judgment is referred to a larger bench.
Your Lordship may refer.
लिखित तापरे लिखो.
नाटा लिखि देबे पार्टी नाटा.
In Bajaj Alliance General Insurance Company versus Rambha Devi and others. Civil Appeal number 841/2018. And the said reference judgment, the said judgment is pending before the larger bench of 3-judge bench. Hence, the order passed in the judgment passed in Mukund Devangan shall continue to hold the field, and the tribunal and authority shall therefore act on that basis. So accordingly, the petitioner case, what is your prayer?
To quash order. Else, my lord, it will be dismissed.
The petitioner case cannot be entertained, accordingly dismissed. Dispose of it. Dismiss it. सब स्कैन करिए
24
This case also, we have to grant leave to file appeal before the apex.
ଏଥିରେ ଆପଣ
ମୋ ନାଁଟା ଯେହେତୁ କରିଥିଲେ ଯେ ସେ ଫାଇଲ ନେଇଯାଇଛି ମୋର. But that prayer become improper.
Grant counsel the state submit that the prayer made in the writ petition is infructuous since.
Yes.
Why?
Because prayer was made to allow 2 weeks time to file SLP before the Honorable Apex Court.
Okay. Infructuous since the prayer was made in the writ petition, seeking time to file SLP before the Supreme Court. Time of 2 weeks again. For 2 weeks to file SLP for the Supreme Court, since the matter was pertinent to the 2019 and that 6 weeks had already been passed since long. The petitioner
24 to 29.
infructuous.
24 to 29, sir.
कौन है?
24 to 29.
सब उसे 24 to 49.
29.
29. सब उसे.
Item 30.
How much time they have wanted? 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Time is called.
Accordingly.
Grant leave to file appeal
Time मांगे नहीं.
and not to disburse the amount. That was the prayer.
Time नहीं है.
Time.
Very infructuous.
Seeking prayer seeking time to file the SLP.
Leave.
Leave to file SLP. and this much time has passed since then. Accordingly, the reproduction is rendered in proxies. Next. 29 तक same होगा, है ना?
Item 30.
30.
30, my lord, I have requested for a time in the first morning my lord, on behalf of Mr. Muduli.
Yes.
I am for the opposite party number 1.
You don't have any problem. Bank. Yes. You don't have any problem. Please fix time.
Yes.
Okay. For the bank submit that he doesn't have any problem with time is granted to him accordingly. List the matter on 22nd February.
The interim order is there.
Interim order to continue to the next date. Next.
Requisite late filing. So that is acceptable.
Okay. Accept itself. Next.
31.
31. 31 क्या ना दी?
Item 31 in content, we have already filed compliance affidavit.
Compliance.
Allow the order.
Learn concept of the submit that. Okay, the state has already filed a compliance affidavit. Hence,
In content number 135720.
in contempt number CONTC 1357 of 2022. Hence, this contempt petition.
Content were disposed of.
Was it
Then
disposed of?
observation that if the order will not be
I
complied.
know, yes. So accordingly, this CMAPL is disposed of. Hala?
Restoration.
Restoration the matter.
Restoration ହେଇଯାଇଛି ନା?
Restoration
Comply.
Comply ହେଇଯାଇଛି ନା restoration କାଇଁ ହେବ?
comply my lord, what happened?
Comply ହେଇଯାଇଛି restoration କାଇଁ ହେବ sir?
My lord,
Already comply ହେଇଛି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ପରା?
my comply, they have
ଆଉ କଣ restoration ଆମ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଆସିବା କଣ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି?
they have disposed of, but now the by giving application for pension document, my lord, the principal is putting in difficulty. My lord, he has not.
ସବୁ ମୁଁ କେମିତି କରିବି ସାର୍? ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ପୋଜିଂ ଯିବ ଯାଇକିରି ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟି ସେ ଜାଣେ, ଆପଣ ଜାଣନ୍ତି, ମୁଁ କେମିତି କରିବି?
ଏ ଲୋକଟା ଆହୁରି 4-5 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ରିଟାୟାର କଲି ପେନସନ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି। only for the principal.
Depends on this order.
ହେଲା ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ଗୋଟେ କହିଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି କଣ ପାଇଁ ହଇରାଣ କରୁଛି? ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ କଲା ଲୋକ କେତେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବେ?
4-5 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲେ ମୁଁ
I'm keeping it pending. Take instruction. Lagaओ. That is asking the state to take instruction regarding the compliance made.
Comply.
No, regarding the कौन ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ
ମାନେ ପେନସନ ପେପର ପଠଉନି ସେ ଅନଲାଇନ ଦେବା କଥା
ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ମାନେ ସେୟା କରନ୍ତି।
ସେ କହୁଛି ମୋତେ ହାର୍ଡ କପି
the petitioner submit that petitioner submit that though the petitioner is running from pillar to post, the principal of the said college, which college?
मतलब आंचलिक हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल सीमे नहीं डिस्ट्रिक्ट ढेंकानाल आंचलिक हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल
आंचलिक हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल
सीमे नहीं डिस्ट्रिक्ट
ढेंकानाल is not cooperating and unnecessarily harassing the present petitioner, and asking the state to take instruction and use his good office to take instruction. Let him take instruction. How pending thou. Next. हाँ मैं ताको ये कर दो allow कर दे allow that आप कौन करी ना allow ना करी क्या देखो order pass करी that to order allow this पहले allowed लिख दे substitution
allow substitution because the officer
colleague officer को college substitute
I have filed already of substitution I have filed
सब allow कर दे next
not yet taken.
डिफेक्ट भी अछि डिफेक्ट कौन करछिन आपण
डिफेक्ट
अरे सर
लिमिटेशन स्टेप नहीं ना
मतलब ये लॉर्डशिप डायरेक्टेड
ହେଲା जे लिमिटेशन फाइल कर दिसा
मतलब ये लॉर्डशिप डायरेक्टेड यदि कंप्लेन न कले
जे
रेजिस्ट्रेशन फाइल
केते दिन भीतर हेडा करिया कथा
दे हैव नॉट कंप्लाइड
केते दिन भीतर आसे करियो बोली कहितली
मतलब उस दिन 3
केते दिन आपण कले के
The lordship is directed to consider that order should be complied within 15 days, within period of 15 days.
15 days না হলে আমরা কেতে ଆପଣ আইলে কেবে ଆପଣ କେବେ ଆଇଲେ
Within a period of 2 weeks, my lord. That is, thereafter they are not
ଆପଣ
complied.
କେବେ ଆଇଲେ ଏଠିକି
Well,
କହନ୍ତୁ
I came
CLMPL କେବେ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ
Yes, my lord. I came before the lordship on. Well,
still I am doing everything ଯା ସବୁ unnecessary କେତେ ଦିନ ସବୁ ଇଏ କରି ସବୁ I allow delay condone everything condone ଯା now problem should be solved unnecessary technicality ଧରିକି ବସିଥିବେ ସବୁ ସବୁ କର delay condone and the state to take instruction and ନହେଲେ ସେ ଲୋକକୁ ଡାକିବି ଏଠିକି ହେଲା ତାକୁ ବି ପାର୍ଟି ବନାନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ
no, he is a party.
ପାର୍ଟି
He is a party.
ଓକେ ଲେଖ କେତେ ନମ୍ବର ଏଟା ଅଛି ଓପି ନମ୍ବର କେତେ
Open number, my lord. My lord, 4, my lord.
OP number 4 is directed to file the affidavit why he is not paying the why he is not cooperating the present petition.
I am suggesting let notice go to 4 and 5.
Okay, 4 5 যাও আর তারপরে তাহলে ঠিক আছে ছাড়ি দে এবার গোটে চান্স দিয়ে দে নাহলে এটিকে ডাকি পার্সোনাল
Yes.
হ্যালো ছাড় আমার সাবস্টিটিউশন টেকনিক্যালিটি ফালতু এটা কাম কোটা କରିବେନି ସବଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲିଟି ବସିବେ କିଛି କାହାକୁ ସବଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁଟ କରିବେ
It's summary.
ହେଲା ଏଲାଉଡ୍ ତାକୁ ବି ଏଲାଉ କର ନା
It's summary.
ସବୁ ଏଲାଉଡ୍ ସବଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ ଫାଇଲ
Well,
ତ
I
ଏଲାଉଡ୍ ଏଲାଉଡ୍ ହେଲା ଅଲ୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଏଲାଉଡ୍ ଆଇ ସବୁ ଏଲାଉଡ୍ କରିଦିଅ ଯା
It's summary. Summary.
No. Say opposite party change agent.
ଅଫିସର ଟା ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଛି ନା ସେ ଅଲଗା ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ
Opposite
ଅଫିସର
officer change agent.
ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫିସର ନାଁ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତ
Name.
ହଁ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫିସର କଣ ନାଁ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
My lord, I have given the names. That is.
ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ ଲୋକ ହେଲେ ପୁରା ଆପଣ ଅଫିସର ମାନେ ଟିକେ ବି ସେନ୍ସିଟିଭ ନାହିଁ ଲୋକଟା ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ କଲା ପରେ 10 ବର୍ଷ ଆପଣ ଅଫିସ ଦୌଡୁଥିବ 30 ବର୍ଷ ଆଉ ତାପରେ ଉପରକୁ ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲ ଡିଲେ ଇଏ ଓ ଚଲେ
1, 2, I have given.
ନାଁ ଟେ କହିବା ପାଇଁ ଆମକୁ କେତେ ସମୟ ଲାଗୁଛି ମ
My lord.
ଫଟଫଟ ତ କହିବେ 3 ଘଣ୍ଟା
Shashwat Mishra.
ଶାଶ୍ୱତ ମିଶ୍ର ନାହିଁ ଏବେ
1 and 2 they have
Arvind
already
Agrawal, in place of, in place
ଏବେ
of,
କିଏ ଅଛି
in-
ଏବେ ନାଁ କିଏ ଅଛି ଏବେ
man, in place of Arvind Agrawal agu thale.
ତ ଅରବିନ୍ଦ ଆଗରୁ ଉଲ୍ଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଶାଶ୍ୱତ ମିଶ୍ର ଆଗରୁ ଥିଲେ ଅରବିନ୍ଦ ଅଗ୍ରୱାଲ ଏବେ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ହେଲା।
ଉଲ୍ଟା କହିକି ଆପଣ
Yes,
କଣ
my
ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
lord, my lord. So, Arvind Agrawal.
ଅରବିନ୍ଦ ଅଗ୍ରୱାଲ ନାଁ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
Yes, sir.
ତ ସେ ଲେଖିବେ ନା ଆଉ
Sir,
ଶାଶ୍ୱତ ମିଶ୍ର କାଇଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
Shashwat Mishra, Arvind Agrawal.
ନାଁ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ତ
My lord.
ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଦେଖୁନି
My
ଆପଣ
lord,
ଯାହା
that
କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ
is- that is-
ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ ଜିନିଷରେ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଦେଖେ
that is,
ହେଲା
My lord.
ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଏ ଲୋକ ଲେଖାଇଛି ନା
1, 2, 3, 5, 6,
Okay.
and 7. All are.
ठीक है ओके यू टेक लेट हिम टेक इंस्ट्रक्शन फर्स्ट ओपी नंबर कितने 4
4, my lord.
4 and 5 खाली 4 and 5
Yes. President
सेक्रेटरी ओनली प्रिंसिपल हां
governing body does principal.
ओके तेरे कौन अपन ग्रांटी नहीं
My lord, he is retired. No, full.
अरे सर
My-
ग्रांटी नेट की
my
वजह
lord,
रिटायर्ड
94 only granted.
ग्रांटी नेट था
My lord.
94
94 rule.
Appropriated the amount, he has not handed over the documents and all these things are.
तो जना पड़ी जो अपन कौन
My
कौन
lord, my lord,
let him come back जना
My
पड़ी नहीं अपन अपन कहते साधु सेठ भी दरकार
My lord.
दरकार ना
My lord.
अपन खाली तांगु दोष तो ले
No, no,
अपन
my lord.
हाँ निजे पैट्टा भी देखो
ମାନେ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ମତେ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ମୋର ଆଲିଗେସନ ଅଛି
ହଉ
ଏ
ହେଲା
ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ
ମୁଁ
ଲେଖିକି
ସେ ଭିତରେ କାଇଁ ପଶିବି
ଚାରି ବର୍ଷ
ମୁଁ
ଲେଟ୍
ଆପଣ ପଇସା ପାଇଲେ ନ ପାଇଲେ ବୁଝିବି ଯଦି ନ
Madam.
ଆପଣ କଣ କଣ ଥିବ ସେଟା ବୁଝିବେ ଆପଣ
Madam.
ଆଉ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Let's fix a date.
ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ 17 ରେ ଆସୁ
Right.
ପୁରା ଭଲ କରି ଆସିବେ ହେଲା
Madam.
ଖୋଜି ଖାଜି କେବେ ଆସିବେ
ଆଜି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚରେ ବେଶୀ ଯିବ ଫେବୃଆରୀ 13 ରେ ଆସୁ ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଜଲ୍ଦି ଦେବ ନା ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ ଲୋକଟା କାଇଁ ପାଇବେ ନେକ୍ସଟ
32
ବହୁତ କେସରେ ଲେଟ୍ ହୁଏ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ମାନେ ନିଜେ କାରଣ ସେଟା ଆଉ କହନ୍ତିନି ଆପଣ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଲାନି ଆଉ ବାକି ନିଜର କାରନାମା କହିବେନି କେତେ ମାରି ଖାଇଥିବି ସେଟା କହିବେନି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏକଦମ ସାଧୁ ସାଧୁ ମାନଙ୍କର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହୁଏନି ଅସାଧୁ ମାନଙ୍କର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ନେକ୍ସଟ
32
32
last two time down
next next
34.
34 गदाधर पड़े गले गदा बोलुछंती कोडी ओजेसी नंबर 2001 एरे कोन देखो additional notice on the luggage.
Lordship, there is a noting for withdrawal. They have filed a memo for withdrawal.
Withdrawal?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Your lordship, kindly see there is
submit that there is a noting for
at flag
memo
X,
for
my lord.
withdrawal. According to the withdrawal memo is accepted. Next, withdrawal granted, है ना?
Item
Next,
35.
35.
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
There is a noting, my lord. OP has filed one time petition at flag X.
Time petition. ये time
OP filed.
देख लो. Your OP.
I am for petitioner.
Petition. Alive. कौन है जी? এটা কেবে ফাইল 2017 রে Okay, non-appeals. Grant counsel for the petitioner further brought to the attention of this court that the petitioner here also earlier asked for time for adjournment on this similar petition not within 30 days. Next.
My lord, interim order was there at my.
Interim order vacated. Interim order or interim order, if any, bracket, comma, if any, comma. Is
Dated
vacated.
15/23.
Stands vacated. if any vacated gala particular date for if any जोड़ा
Interim, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
हाँ सब vacated ହେଇଯିବ
Sir, ତାକୁ case ଟା-
I'm interim order.
Opposite party time petition for this.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, for the petition. I'm sorry. Okay. No, let's give a chance. Give a chance to the petitioner. I have to pass prison order then. I thought we are the opposite party. So 25th. Next.
36.
36.
My lord, in this case, one IA has been filed. There is one typographical mistake in the cause title. That is that Maharana title of the petitioner, MA has been written, that should be MO.
Moharana.
Yes,
So you have rectified
yes, ma'am.
and counsel. You have filed the IA
Yes, ma'am.
15319.
Ma'am.
So I allowed and accordingly the prayer made in the IA regarding the change of rectification of the surname of the petitioner as from Maharana to
Moharana.
Moharana is allowed, and also the post of petitioner as retired headmaster instead of retired assistant teacher be mentioned accurately. Rest part of the order remains unaltered.
Okay.
37.
Next, 37.
Earlier order, your lordship 29/2023, your lordship directed to deposit 12 lakhs, my lord. I have already deposited, my lord, 5 lakhs. Your lordship only 7 lakhs I have to deposit, only 2 months time be granted, your lordship.
Who is the opposite party?
My lord, Mr. Tuna Sahu.
Fine, let him come. Let him come, Mr. Tunasov. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock.
Aye.
Next.
38.
38.
Not pressed, my lord. Not pressed.
Not pressed. Okay. 39. Not pressed. 38 not pressed. 39.
39.
39. Regular. Non appears. Defect remove है नहीं
Not removing.
1 week time is granted to remove the defects, failing which the writ petition shall be dismissed without reference to the court. Next,
40,
40
Item 40, my lord, in process, my lord, I am filing the memo.
infractions. And consider the petitioner files the memo stating that the petitioner is, the petition is, the criminal revision petition is an infractions accordingly
Obliged.
dismissed as infractions.
item
Next,
41,
41.
May I please? During this case, my lord, for release of the
You are for the petitioner.
much obliged to the
What
extent.
is the issue?
So far, the release of that seized 12-wheeler truck bearing number.
12-wheeler.
Yes, my lord.
कौन है चीज?
Rejected JMFC that which will clarify from.
That is pending. Now it is pending.
They got the information yesterday night that is still pending. Matter is not final, not disposed of. On case
Pending.
proceeding.
Hello, sir. Is it not a talking place, right? A talking zone है बाहर. You talk there.
That so far the rejection order which will clarify from at page 10 by the JMFC.
Sorry?
That rejection order which has been passed by JMFC on 13/6/2000.
Now it is pending.
They
Your
got the
truck where is it parked?
My lord,
Truck টা কোথায় আছে?
in the police jail, police custody. Thanari.
Court person.
That so far that Rugudi.
Burbill.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay, land comes with the state to take instruction regarding the status of the vehicle, whether it is pending, parked before the Rugudi Thana, police station Rugudi, or not. You just take instruction. Next. List the matter.
My lord, a copy of the order.
Give a copy.
Much obliged.
Next. 8.
Just now.
800.
42,
42.
1 week time to remove the defect.
1 week time is granted for removal of defects, failing which
Listed along with
more listed. आपनकर कौन along with कौन?
along with another criminal division 833 of 2000.
तार कौन? तार already.
Same order has been challenged in both.
माने मुझे बली.
And matter this is a case under section.
नहीं मुझे सेटा बुझी नहीं. आपनकर along with that code pending अच्छी.
Pending अछि.
Pending अच्छी तो. अन्य कौन number तो देखो जी.
Criminal division number 833 of 2018.
ठीक है. Date 16th February. Next.
43,
3. Yes. 43. None. 1 week time is granted for removal of defects, same condition order. Next, 44.
44,
40. 44. Time order defects.
45,
No, defect dismissed. 45. Champavati. हाँ देखिए टाइम ऑर्डर कर दिया डिले एप्लीकेशन लगे डिफेक्ट्स रिमूव कर रही नहीं 46
I pray 2 weeks time because I have to take instruction whether this case is continuing or
डिफेक्ट भी रिमूव करना दी
yeah,
डिफेक्ट
defect removal कर देबी within 3 days.
okay defect land council petitioner is directed to remove the defects within 1 week. List the matter on 7th.
So in the meanwhile I will take instruction whether it is
You
continuing.
take it. 47.
47, no instructions occurred.
No instruction.
48,
48.
48 needs 1 week time to take the instruction whether the trial has been concluded or not.
The defect remove करो तू.
Fine.
1 week time granted for removal of defects, failing which send the order लिख दे.
Okay.
Failing which it will be dismissed without reference to the court. हाला? ना दो. Next. 49.
49,
Withdrawal. 50.
50,
For removal of the defect, 1 week time. Earlier, I also prayed,
Okay.
last job.
Within 1 week.
Might.
Within 1 week. Land consider the petitioner. I forgot your name.
Agnishika.
Agnisika. Okay. आग नहीं लगा ना कहीं. Okay, Rinisika submits that. It's a Ray submits that. She wants to remove the defects within 1 week.
Right.
List the matter. Next.
Obliged.
51.
On behalf of Mr. Bag, pray for 1 week time, my lord.
Huh?
On behalf of Mr. Bag, pray for 1 week time, my lord.
Honorable.
On behalf of Mr. Bag.
On behalf of Mr.
Bag.
भालो कौन आती धीरे धीरे क्या कौन सी so you want time
Sir, के
97 matter sir.
Sir, 1 week time खाली sir को टिके spondylitis attack है तो
Opposite party की अपने petitioner पे
नहीं सी
opposite party. ठीक है he is asking for some time 1 week time 31st से लगे थे है ना.
Obliged.
52 एटा कौन के ना दी देख लो चेक करो. पुराना मेथड कहीं की करना कुछ और खाली टाइम मंगाए थे खाली.
Non-appearance issue. Last time.
Non appears on the last occasion also non appears on last 2 occasions non appears.
यार previous occasion non-appearance के लिए
It seems that most of the time the petitioner has been petitioner has taken time for some reason or other and also did not appear on on 18/1/2024 full stop. Though there was a clear order on the order sheet of 8/1/2021 making the petitioner to appear in the matter on the next date of hearing. Otherwise, the petitioner would be dismissed. Considering the order, the petitioner again appeared and sought for time. It seems that the petitioner is not interested in pursuing the matter. Dismiss Next.
Item 53.
53.
May it please your lordship, on behalf of Mr. R.K. Mahanti, here the petitioner is challenging the annexure 1 and 4. Here petitioner applied for the ex gratia amount of rupees 75,000.
Ex gratia for what?
Because the petitioner father died during the cyclone in 1999.
Died during the cyclone.
Cyclone.
Then?
And annexure 4 here, the report of Tahsildar states that due to the collapse of wall during the cyclone, died. So he applied for.
So what is the egress?
You have taken sannyas.
No, your lordship. No, your lordship. We have annexure.
I'm placing the
Annexure
Sannyas means in Himalaya.
No.
Local Baba.
No, your lordship. Annexure 5.
Registered deed of.
Annexure 5 is the legal here.
So you died in the place where your sannyasi ashram is there, or you died somewhere else?
In the mud, your lordship.
Mud you died?
Yes, sir.
He had taken sannyas long before.
Sannyas nelle kono excursion medion?
He left his family.
फिर भी family अच्छे family करथिला ना से.
I'm placing.
से semi sannyas. Family करी करा के जैसे sannyas semi sannyas.
In the year 1994, during the lifetime of Babaji Vrindavan Das, the present
Hmm.
decision. A registered instrument recognizing acceptance of disciple was executed by the same Vrindavan Das by deed number 1 dated 7194. From the recital of the said register, it is manifest that Babaji Vrindavan Das had renounced the world to become a sannyasi 45 years back.
45 years back.
To execution of the said event when
Now a legal question comes, sir.
Your Lordship,
No, no.
yes.
I'm saying
Yes,
something, just try
sorry.
to understand.
Extremely.
There's a legal question comes. If a person renounces the whole world and becomes sannyasi, should his family member get any compensation? That is a legal question.
But your Lordship, they are legal.
There is a Supreme Court judgment. I'm forgetting that there is case came from Karnataka, where a person, Supreme Court mana.
Who lived in Guwahati.
अरे भाई some Guwahati रे रहो कि आसाम रे रहो
But legal certificate was issued by the Tahsildar.
अब मोर legal question बुझुଛନ୍ତି?
Yes, sir.
If your father has denounced the whole world, he is a sannyasi. Can the legal heir of that sannyasi will get something? That is the legal question I'm asking. You are going here and there. तार आंसर टा दियंतु. किसी केस ला अछि?
No, your Lordship.
Research करिके आसंतु.
Yes, yes.
What happens to the family members of a sannyasi? Do they get some, I mean, anything of that person? से सब ऊपर आपनकर ये लेखि दि जाइछ जे मु सन्यासी हे गेली मो पई केही दाई हेबेनी मोर केही नाही एंदी सब लेखिबो फेर लेखला पर फिर आपन केंदी हेला
Leisure time पे से मठ को usually ही
हां आपन से मठ जे एग्री जो लेखा है जे कागज ता सेटा कर जिवो ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏକ୍ସଗ୍ରେସିଆ ମାଗି ଆସନ୍ତି ସେଟା ଲିଜର ଟାଇମ୍ ମଠକୁ ଝାଡା ଯାଉଥିଲା ନାଇଁ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ପୁରା ଛାଡି ଦେଇଛି 45 ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବେ ଛାଡି ସାରିଛି କେମିତି ଲିଜର ଟାଇମ୍ ରେ ଯାଉଥିଲା ପରେ ଯାଉଥିଲା ଏମିତି କଥା
fix any
ଲାଷ୍ଟ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆପଣ କିଏ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ କଲା କିଏ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ କଲା
that I don't know.
I was referring that
ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ସେଇଂ ଦ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ରାଇଟ୍ ଟା କିଏ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ କଲା ସେଥିରୁ ବି ଜଣା ପଡିଯାଉଛି ଯଦି ସେ ରିନାଉନ୍ସ କରି ଯାଇଥିଲା ତ ଆଶ୍ରମ ବାସୀ କରିଥିବେ କିଏ କରିଥିଲା
I have no
ଆମର କିଛି ଜାଣି ଆଉ କଣଟା ଆସନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ
Your Lordship may fix
ସବୁ
it.
ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ନେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତି ହେଲା
Yes, sir.
ସେ ଲୋକର 45 year ପୂର୍ବେ he was sannyasi, he has left everything. And when he died, the last rite was conducted by the ashram basi. Hala? My district administration kiye kala I don't know. You have to check. Tapare there is a case law in Supreme Court 2 or 3 case law will get it. If very rare, ଗୋଟେ ପଞ୍ଜାବ ର ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଟେ ଆସିଥିଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ମୋର ଜାଣିବାରେ ଦୁଇଟା ତିନିଟା କେସ୍ ଅଛି ପଞ୍ଜାବ ର ଗୋଟେ କର୍ଣ୍ଣାଟକ ର ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କୋଉଠି ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ରିମେମ୍ବର ଟିକେ ସେ ଚେକ୍ କରି ମାନେ କେସ୍ ର ନାଁ ମନେ ନାହିଁ ମୋର ବଟ୍ ଅଛି there ଏ ସନ୍ନ୍ୟାସୀ ଯଦି ହେଇଗଲା ସେ ତାର ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ମେମ୍ବର କିଛି ପାଇବେନି ସେଠୁ କାହିଁ ସେ ଡିନାଉନ୍ସ କରି ଯାଇଥିବ ନା ସନ୍ନ୍ୟାସୀ ପରେ ଯାହା ଏକ୍ୱାର କରିଥିବ କଣ କରିଥିବ କି ସେଇ ସନ୍ନ୍ୟାସୀ ଟ୍ୟାଗ ରେ ସେ କିଛି ବେନିଫିଟ ପାଇବେନି ସନ୍ନ୍ୟାସୀ ଟ୍ୟାଗ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅଛି ଆଉ କିଛି ପାଇବେନି ବୁଝିଲେ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିକି ଆସିବେ 13th February do proper research and come
Yes, sir.
ହେଲା note down
Yes, Lordship, I have taken.
what I said what is the status legal status of a sannyasi in terms of the what in terms of what the family members who claim for ex gratia payment hala next 54 yeah so very thorough
Lordship, I'm appearing for opposite party.
opposite party
Yes, sir, Lordship.
who is for the yes who is for the opposite your for the petitioner by king BC Panda non appears for the petitioner এটা কোন দেখলা হিস্ট্রি টিকে দেখলা
Lordship, noting achi amendment habo. The Puri Gramya Bank has need to be amended. It has become Odisha Gramya Bank.
last order ଥିଲା Take the non-appeals for the petitioner. The last chance may be granted to the petitioner to appear in the matter on the like 24th. 24th.
Oblige your lordship.
ଗୋଟେ ଚାନ୍ସ ଦିଆଯାଉ ନହେଲା ଦେଖିବା।
We have also filed counter that is on record.
Where the petitioner counsel. Pass over कर देता। You have any number intimated? Pass over कर।
Passed over matter item number 1.
Pass over कर दे से मैं तो अच्छी दी number फोन चलो ठीक
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
As per your lordship direction, I have gone through the Article 12 of the Constitution of India.
कहाँ लगा है जी?
There are-
State and instrumentalities of state. Where is the private company or
My
instrumentality of
my
state?
lord,
Sir?
there is a registration under the Society Registration Act.
एमती सोसाइटी रेजिस्ट्रेशन तो तर पृथ्वी जाक समस्ते आर्टिकल रीड मेंटालिटी कथा कहीं उठता
आज्ञा नहीं
आपण इज इट इंस्ट्रूमेंटालिटी ऑफ स्टेट देखावार अछि
my lord, there are
who are the state who is state or instrumentality विषय आर्टिकल 12 रे
my lord.
तो से रीड लाय हबो और रीड बाकी आपण प्राइवेट कंपनी में रीड लाय तो सब फिर रीड रो कोन रहिला
My lord, there are several decisions I have.
नो डिसीजन
देखी
को कंपनी को पार्टी करे को डिसीजन सेवरल कहि देला बनी को डिसीजन ता देखान तो आई बी हैप्पी
गोटे G12 फिल्म
दियंतु
ମୁଁ ଯାହା ଦେଖିଛି ଏଇ ନେଟ ରୁ
हो दियंतु हे पर आई मे बी रॉन्ग
ନାଇଁ 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 ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେମିତି wrong?
no I don't have anything
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
every day I am learning you are learning everybody is learning we are all learning so no problem
ନାଇଁ ସେଇ ପଛରେ ଲେଖିଛି
जजमेंट ए कौन आपण जजमेंट सिना कॉपी टे देते
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ,
कौन जी टेलीविजन देखि दिसन देखि
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କହିବା କଥା
आपण कहले हबनी आपण जजमेंट कहू
ହଁ
आपण जो जजमेंट देखिबे सेइतरे कहू ना आपण कहले
ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏତିକି ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛି ମତେ ଗୋଟେ ସପ୍ତାହ ଟାଇମ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ only 1 week
1 वीक देबिनी मु हो ठीक अछि 30th लगे देता
ସେଟା ତ oblige ହେଲା।
आपण प्रॉपर जजमेंट आनी के देखांदो एमती खाली गपिले हो
ନାଇଁ
पूरा प्रॉपर्ली देखे और सैटिस्फाई मी देना
ଆଜ୍ଞା
आपण देखे पारिबे न जानि आपण देखे पारिबे से जो आर्टिकल 12 जो बही कथा कहले से बही रो आधा काम मु करछि
ଆଜ୍ଞା
तो मु जानि छी आर्टिकल रो देखे पारिबे एतबे कहली ओके
ନାଇଁ ସଡନ କହିଲେ ନା
the author has passed away after half done we have completed it and got it published so that's why you know that
ନାଇଁ
next
oblige ହେଲା।
37.
37
P7, my lord, I have been served a copy, my lord, is for the your lordship's order. I have complied, my lord, partly. Your lordship 7 lakhs have to deposit. Your lordship time to be extended.
Let me take instructions. Arji copy applicant.
let him take us
Fine.
and transfer the petitioner to the law yeah. No, no.
Item 56.
Okay, what date, sir?
30th
My lord, I am through online mode. May I please your lordship? My lord, here I had taken time on the last occasion to take instruction in the matter. This is with regard to interest seniority between the appointment of the admin. My lord, I have got instruction. I am only praying, my lord, maybe taken up next week. I'll assist your lordship in disposal of the case. This will be disposed of, my lord, because the party doesn't want to come for a rejoinder. Counter has been filed. I humbly pray, my lord, maybe taken up
56.
next week. I'll assist your lordship.
okay 12th February
I am for the OP number 3 man
12th February
Obliged.
12
Obliged.
February
yes
Obliged, man.
56 tabur
57.
57 2000 रे कोन रे टाइम नै थिले बोले काली
ना
ओ हम जाई थिले Okay. Non-appeals for the petition at the time of call on 2nd January 2024 also non-appeal. This is the petition is not. Next.
58.
58.
On the last occasion, that is on 8th of January, nobody has appeared.
I am appearing for OP number 2 and 3. And your
For the
lordship,
petitioner, none is there.
no, on the last occasion also none was there.
Nobody has
See,
appeared.
Yes, non-appeals on behalf of the petitioner at the time of call on 8 January 2024 also non-appeal. Extend the petition or non-prosecution. Next.
Item 59.
59. 59.
Lordship, on the last day, director board supposed to file 18 note of argument.
The bank.
See, matter Lordship, hard matter less.
Yes.
And direct.
Your Lordship may require this book.
Why?
So bank's regulation may require. I may take it back afterwards from the press card.
पूरे photocopy दे देंगे कहीं अपना original लगे ऐसे ही जो दे देंगे photocopy करके दे देंगे
Difficult for me to था को नहीं जी
आजकल तो दे देंगे
वो तो difficult
हमारे टीवी हज़ार चांस है ना हम लोग रहते थे फाइल कोड कौन गायब है जो था बोले अपना वही मांगे हमको रुपए
I have much reliance upon this particular press card by Lord.
Okay, the press card is then put in. ठीक है. Next.
Item 60.
60. 60.
May I please, your lordship? Well, here the petitioner has challenged the initiation of disciplinary proceeding and also challenged the final order of the appellate authority, my lord.
You are for the.
My lord, I am for opposite party. This matter may be taken
Sir,
up.
opposite party कहते कोई किए opposite party किसी कोई भी नहीं खाली opposite party.
Opposite party, सब समस्त.
कोई भी ना all opposite party.
All opposite
1,
party.
2, 3, 4.
This matter may be taken up. WPC number 748 of 2005, your lordship. Similar matter has been filed by the petitioner, your lordship.
काहीं सेटा कौन भाई?
Sir, say inquiry by challenge question. In the meantime, he has already been retired from service and he has take all the benefits.
So even if my lord, the petitioner has retired, my lord, that interregnum period has not been regularized and he is not getting final pension, my lord.
Since 2008, he has been already retired from service.
Well, here.
Any claim?
Yes.
Can
Maybe
you deny?
taken up, your lordship, along with that WPC number 748 of 2005.
748.
Yes, your lord.
7480 ना 7480.
748.
748 of 2005. 5. Let the matter be listed along with WPC so and so. List the matter on 6th March.
I beg your lordship's pardon, my lord, like item number 15 and bank matter. I must confess I am not happy with this present note. I was more happy with my old note which your lordship didn't appreciate.
I'll see whichever note makes me happy, I'll use it.
Yes,
Okay,
I say.
that's all.
Your lordship didn't
Sir,
appreciate
your
the earlier
happiness,
note.
my happiness, there'll be
Right.
LCM. लॉसागु बार कर दवा
आगे
जो हैप्पीनेस ता ठीक मिसिंग हो सेटा करियो हेलो so LCM of both of our happiness.
Recently, about 2 weeks back, another coordinate bank has rebuked me why I have filed a short note.
But my system is on a short note.
I
believe in brevity is the soul of wit.
I have complied your lordship direction.
Other bench might be thinking of Mahabharata is the soul of wit. I said no Mahabharata. I said small.
The eye of the bar, right? But I confess what is my feeling, my lord.
Yeah, ठीक है. But in my court, always small is beautiful. Big is not beautiful. Okay. Next.
61.
Your lordship, for item number 61, I pray for 2 weeks time. My lordship, file has been misplaced, your lordship. File misplaced है जो खोई.
Oh, file
arrange करे अभी.
2 weeks.
Again.
Open number 3.
2 weeks time, my lord.
15 February.
Again.
You
Obliged.
need file. You can take from here also. If you don't have file, you can take from here.
I will take instruction from my senior, your lordship.
ବାହାରିବ ଘରେ ଫାଇଲ ମିସପ୍ଲେସ୍ କଣ ଥାକରେ ଥିବ ଥାକରେ ଶୋଭାବର୍ଦ୍ଧନ କରୁଥିବ
No, your lordship, ନାହିଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ବେଶୀ କଷ୍ଟ।
next
Your lordship, 15th.
15th February.
Okay, 15th February.
Obliged, your lordship.
Next.
62.
My lord, in this case, I am for the opposite party bank. In the last
Who is
occasion,
for the
the
petitioner?
advocate for the petitioner has prayed for time to file the rejoinder.
Higland, rejoinder.
Yeah, rejoinder in the sense, my lord, counter rejoinder, everything was filed. Your lordship directed them to produce the status of the vehicle as well as the OTS.
My lord, I have
My lord,
filed.
he admitted that in violation of the your lordship's interim order, he has sold the vehicle. And now
sold
he admitted that vehicle. So what kind of
My
rejoinder
lord,
may I?
since it is posted today for filing the, kindly have a glance to the order sheet, my lord. On the last occasion, he took time in the day after.
No. Last occasion, I just reached
Before that day.
Anyway, you file a counter, rejoinder.
Let he wanted some time. Let him take.
No,
Your lordship may take it up on next week.
Take it. You took instruction about that.
Yes, my lord.
Why, despite the order of this court,
Yes, my lord, I have filed
your
the-
bank has sold that vehicle?
No, my lord. My lord, the stay order was not there at
Not
the
there,
relevant time.
not
No,
there.
my- not there.
Let's see.
Yes.
My lord. I have
First
a-
order dated 23, order number 3, 23 March 2021.
Yes, my lord. The order was granted till 24 2021. Stay order was granted. Thereafter, no extension was made, my lord.
Kindly see the order sheet, my.
Yes, my lord. Kindly have a glance.
Which is the order?
23rd of March.
23rd
Order
of
number 3.
March 2021.
Order number?
3. Order number 2 is issue notice. Order number 3 interim order.
In the interim, the opposite party number 2 bank may proceed with auction, notice stated so and so, but the sale in respect of the vehicle bearing so and so shall not be finalized till the next date.
Next date was fixed on 24 2021.
Okay.
It was never listed thereafter. Before the
Anyway,
bench.
जब भी next date लागेला से next date.
My lord,
हाँ.
they have sent.
Next date was
They have filed the petition.
लोक अदालत
for लोक अदालत में.
हाँ.
तापरे
Before लोक अदालत, we have tried. Thereafter, we have tried our best to list the matter in the
there
regular
are
bench.
no stay operating. Sorry, no stay was there. Stay already till the next date. After that, stay was not continued.
No,
Stay
my lord,
was not continued.
thereafter, the matter was posted before the local adalat. It cannot extend the judicial order, my lord. Thereafter,
My lord-
after when I mentioned after selling of the vehicle and filed a miscase, thereafter it was listed before
My
the
lord,
lordship.
since the
And you
case was
peruse the record and pass the order number 7,
केबे बिक्री केबे ହେଲା?
बिक्री
बिक्री
ହେଲା
ହେଇଛି
My lord,
ଆପଣ ଜଣେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ mo ଦି ଜଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି? ଆପଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
my lord, the vehicle was sold in the year 2023, my lord.
17/12/2022.
22.
22 ରେ ବିକ୍ରି ହେଲା?
22 ରେ ବିକ୍ରି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ବିକ୍ରି ହେଲା କଣ କରିବା? ଅଲରେଡି ହେଇସାରିଲାଣି ଆଉ କଣ କରିବି?
Amount has been appropriated.
No stay operating.
Amount has been appropriated against the outstanding.
There was no stay operated
My lord,
at the time of selling of the vehicle, number 1. Number 2, the amount has already been registered with the loan amount. Whatever extra amount outstanding remains, you pay it.
No, my lord, that is not there. The extra amount.
My lord, you
I will obtain necessary instruction
So,
as to.
why should this matter be kept pending unnecessarily for counter, rejoinder, unnecessary?
Oh, bless you.
My lord, one moment, my lord. For a moment, my
The
lord.
vehicle was found.
One moment. The matter was listed before Lok Adalat.
Sir,
and
Lok Adalat ରେ କିଛି ହେଲାନି.
କିଛି ହେଲାନି. Despite the instruction, he didn't appear also. And judicial.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବିକ୍ରି ହେଇଗଲାଣି ପଇସା ଗଲାଣି ଏତେ କଥା.
No.
No, ନାହିଁ.
I rely upon your lordship judgment.
No, my judgment. I have not passed any judgment.
Your lordship
I have not passed any judgment. I have the right to ignore my own judgment also.
No. Your lordship
Depending on the
cannot ignore
situation.
the constitutional bench judgment.
Depending on
Your
the.
lordship relied upon the constitutional bench judgment.
Maybe.
In any order which involve the opposite.
ଆପଣ ନଥିଲା ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଇଏ ଷ୍ଟେ ନଥିଲା ଯୋଉଦିନ ବିକିଲେ ସେଦିନ ଷ୍ଟେ ନଥିଲା।
ନଥିଲା।
ବାସ୍ ଆପଣ ସେଟା ମାନୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଅର୍ଡରଟା 2023 3 ପରେ
ସାର୍ 23/3 ପରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର
24
ଯୋଉ ଦିନ ବିକ୍ରି ହେଲା ସେଇ ଦିନ ଅର୍ଡର ଥିଲା କି?
Order
That is the
ନଥିଲା।
question.
No.
It was continuing, my lord.
No, it was not continuing. It was continued till the next date. After that ଆପଣ continue କରି ନାହାନ୍ତି।
No.
No.
Never listed.
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି listed ହେଲା ନ ହେଲା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି କିନ୍ତୁ next date ରେ ନଥିଲା।
Next date means
Next date କେବେ ଥିଲା?
Next date is
24/4 24/4/2021
where it was listed. It was listed on 17/11.
ହଁ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ହଉ ନ ହଉ
list ହେଲେ ବି
ଆପଣ
କଣ
ମେନସନ
ଅଛି?
କରି
Next
ଲିଷ୍ଟ
date
କରି
ଯାହା
ଦିଅନ୍ତେ।
ଦେଇଥିଲେ ନା।
ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ ଭେକେସନ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟ୍ ଯାହା ଅଛି ମେନସନ କରି କରିଥାନ୍ତେ।
My lord, how can I say pray the local the honorable judge of the honorable court to extend the interim judicial order?
ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ପରେ ହେଇଛି ସାର୍।
ଆପଣଙ୍କ order.
ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ପରେ ହେଇଛି। ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆପଣ ମାନିବେନି ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିବି ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରୁଛି ସିଧା କଥା। ଆପଣଙ୍କର ନଥିଲା ତ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ନଥିଲା। ଆଉ ଫିର ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ଇଏ ସବୁ କାହିଁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି? ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ଅଲରେଡି ବିକ୍ରି ହେଇସାରିଥିଲା। ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ବେଳକୁ ବିକ୍ରି ହେଇସାରିଥିଲା।
ମୁଁ ତ ପିଟିସନ ପକେଇଲି।
ଆପଣ କଣ ପକେଇଲେ? I am list bothered. Only I am concerned at the time of selling there was no your stay order.
Stay order was.
No. Till
ବଢିଆ କଲା ବିକି ଦେଲା ବାସ୍।
decision ରହିଲା. If it is not been listed, it will deem to be continuing.
No,
Unless they specific. I'll show the tomorrow you will see me can take up. I will show the judgment. Justice L. Mahapatra delivered the judgment. We have been following that judgment till date also.
And on that day there was no stay.
No.
The next date means it was interpreted and held to be when the matter next registered before the honorable court.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଲାଗିଛି ତାପରେ
ତାପରେ ଲାଗିଲା order number 7. That is your lordship.
Hold on.
Yes,
let me go.
On the last occasion your lordship peru the entire order sheet. It was placed before the local court.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ଏଟା କଣ ନେତାଗିରି? ଆପଣ ନେତା ଭଳିଆ ଭାଷଣ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁନି। ଆପଣ ଧୀରେ କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିପାରୁଛି। ଆଉ ଫିର ପାର୍ଲାମେଣ୍ଟ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସେମିତି ଚିଲେଇବେ। ପାର୍ଲାମେଣ୍ଟ ବଢିଆ ଫୋରମ ଅଛି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
He's right. ମଝିରେ ଆଉ ଲାଗିନି।
ମଝିରେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ହେଇନି।
ଲିଷ୍ଟ
ଆପଣ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ ଦେଖିଲେ ପୁରା ଏଣ୍ଟାର
ହେଇନି। ସାର୍ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ମଝିରେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ହେଇନି।
My lord, since they have sent the same to the local adalat, we have filed the memo before the DR.
ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ଯଦି ଗଲା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତକୁ ଗଲା ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ ବିକ୍ରି କଣ ପାଇଁ କରିଦେଲେ? ଟିକେ ଅଟକି ପାରିଲେନି? କଣ ପାଇଁ ବିକ୍ରି?
My lord, in 2022 ଆମେ 2 ବର୍ଷ ଯେତେବେଳେ depreciation value depreciate
ଆପଣ interim
ଆମର watch and word ପାଇଁ
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ interim stay ଟା ଥିଲା କାଇଁ ମାନିଲେନି କଣ ପାଇଁ?
interim stay up to 24/4/2021
କୋଉଠି up to?
Yes, my lord.
ଯଦି ମ୍ୟାଟର ଲାଗିଲାନି ଇଜ ରାଇଟ୍। ମ୍ୟାଟର ଯଦି ନ ଲାଗିଲା ତାର ତ ଦୋଷ ନାହିଁ ନା। ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଲଗେଇବନି ମ୍ୟାଟର କଣ ସେ
ତାଙ୍କର ଇନଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ରେ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତକୁ ଯାଇଛି, ଆମ ଇନଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ରେ ନାହିଁ।
Sir, question is not local अदालत.
ମନା କରିଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ। ସେଠି ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତରେ ମନା କରିତେ ଆମେ
Question is when the matter was this court had stayed, how could you sell that vehicle when the matter not to sell?
That stay order was not continuing.
It was continuing, sir. When the matter was not listed, he is right. The matter was not listed. It is not because of which fault it is not listed.
No.
That is deemed to be continuing.
My lord, at their instance, the
ଯଦି
case has been listed for local adalat.
ଡେଟ୍ ଲାଗିଥାନ୍ତା I was under impression ମଝିରେ ଲାଗିଥିଲା। ମଝିରେ ଡେଟ୍ ଲାଗିଥିଲା ସେଥିରେ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ ନ କରିଥିଲେ
at their instance the case has been listed before the local adalat and we have filed the memo before the DR.
ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ଲାଗିଲା ବୋଲି କଣ ଗାଈ ମାଇଲେ କି ସେ କଣ ପାପ କରିଦେଲେ?
ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ ରେଗୁଲାର ବେଞ୍ଚ ର ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ ବା କିଛି କରିବେନି।
ରେଗୁଲାର ଯାହା ଥିବ ସେଟା ରହିବ ସେଠି।
ସେଟା ରହିଲା
ତେଣୁ ରେଗୁଲାର ବେଞ୍ଚ ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର
ସେଟା ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର କରିଗଲା 24/4/2021
ବିଲକୁଲ କରିନି କେବେ ବି।
up to next date ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ଗୋଟେ ଅଲ୍ଟରନେଟିଭ ଫୋରମ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଏଭର ଯୋଉଟା ଥାଏ ସେଇ ସେମତି ଯାଏ ସେଟା ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେବନି। ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣିବେ, ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ଯଦି ଷ୍ଟେ ଲାଗିଛି ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାଟରରେ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତକୁ ଗଲା ମାନେ ସେଇ ସେମତି ମ୍ୟାଟର ସେମତି ଯିବ। ସେ ଷ୍ଟେ ର କିଛି ଏଫେକ୍ଟ ପଡିବନି, ପୁଣି ବ୍ୟାକ୍ କରିବ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା 24/4/21 ଯାଏ ଥିଲା, ତାପରେ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ
24/4
stay vacate ହେଇଗଲା ପରେ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ
no stay vacation. Where is the stay vacation?
up to 24/4/21 ଯାଏ ଯାଇଛି।
I was also under impression there was some date in between. There is no date. Is right? Where is the stay vacation?
Already some time may be allowed, I will obtain
No,
this.
land consider the authorized officer को bank.
My lord,
Punjab, no, सुनो तो. Punjab National Bank Bhubaneswar is directed to explain by way of affidavit as to why.
My lord, we have filed.
रोहन तुम कथा सुनो. Despite the court order, despite the stay order was operating against the bank, interim order was operating against the bank, how could the bank proceed to sell the vehicle? Let him file the affidavit.
My lord, I have filed.
चाकरी पड़ेगा तारा.
Same affidavit
नाय
we have
खाड़ी
filed.
नाय बिल्कुल नाय.
We have already filed, my lord.
आपनकर से फाइल करिबो स्पेसिफिकली एही क्वेश्चन आंसर देगरी.
सेटा ही देई कि फाइल
आंसर दिस. कोन आंसर दिस से
कहिछन जे जेहेतु वैल्यूएशन टा डेटरेट करूची वाच एंड वार्ड पई खर्च पडुची
कोर्ट परमिशन नहीं तांते कोर्ट परमिशन
कोर्ट रे के हमें मेमो देलु जेहेतु लोकल
मेमो नहीं आईए फाइल कले की हम पूरे आईए फाइल कर देखंतु
नहीं आईए फाइल
देखो if the authorized officer was so concerned about the wear and tear of the vehicle, he should have filed an IA before this court for vacation of this interim order.
My lord, some time may be allowed.
Rohan to अपन complete कर देते. In the present case, such IA has not been filed by the bank. It seems that the intention of the banker is under cloud. Also, next. Accordingly, the banker has to explain everything in his affidavit and file within 7 days from today. This matter on 6.
Some more time. 15 days.
15 days है ना? 6 लगेली पर 15 days. मैं 7 days को अलग 15 दिन दिए.
My lord, units में
आओ आपने कुछ कौन तो no sound bite. Next. So file करो तो आप देखिए ऐसे. Next.
Item 63.
63. Yes.
Item 63, I have got the petitioner, my lord. I have taken 2,55,000 loan.
You are the for the private party.
I am for the petitioner borrower.
Interim order may kindly continue.
किसी करिए नहीं सर अपना कहीं व्यस्त हो जाती.
मार दो क्या मतलब?
Okay, interim order to continue. In the meantime, the interim order to continue.
But in the meantime, I have paid substantial amount. Still, I am
Substantial that कितने नहीं थे लेकिन कितने substantial के दिया.
2,55,000 is the admitted loan amount.
आपने outstanding कितने?
Outstanding से मन तो आगे बढ़ता 6 लाख देखो.
7 lakhs. As under 7 lakhs outstanding is there. 57 lakhs.
Again, loan ta neatly 2009 le.
Act remain.
2009 le 2,55,000 was the sanction amount. Out of that 50,000
continue EMI pay करी वाले.
कल्ला पर admittedly I have paid.
Admittedly कभी NPA slip कले.
3,20,000.
When did you slip to NPA?
There as per the section का information नहीं. 2012.
2013
3 वर्ष regular देले 3 वर्ष देले regular.
तापर auction note NPA गला पर there was auction notice in 2013. 2013 they have approached this honorable division bench. Division bench was pleased to grant to file the application for OTS and to pay 1,20,000. 1,25,000 they have paid in 2 installments in 2013. Thereafter, they have kept silent and filed application for OTS. At that point of time, that no OTS scheme was there, the application was turned down. Thereafter, again now he has filed this writ application with a prayer to issuance of NOC. So now the outstanding is there. We cannot issue NOC. That is our.
3,29,000 I have paid against the sanction of 2,55,000.
Sir, आपण सेमती कहले हबो. आपण को लोन सैंक्शन नहीं तो 2009 रे आपण केबे देबे आफ्टर 20 years कहबे नहीं देले केन दियो.
नहीं I am still ready to pay some more amount.
When are you ready to pay? केते amount केते अछि एबे?
एटा से instruction नियंतु से 7 लाख कहउछन.
As on date 7,56,800.
एते दिन पर इंटरेस्ट तार हबनी एती.
ट्रू सेंस रे तांगा जो रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट मान लगोचंती है
रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट लगोचंती
at that calculation I
कौन तो जामे सुनो
बैंक रे तो
नहीं कौन तो
after NPA there
आगे NPA वाला इंटरेस्ट रेट केते कोई पचरती NPA को इंटरेस्ट रेट कौन तो सुना
around
कान रे सुनला वाला टी कौन तू माने कन्न कोन कोनती कन्न भलो सुनला वाला सुबुला वाला कौन तू
around 12% above.
Above mane above it can be 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 20 kete. Above mane kete.
That's the calculation I have already.
Above ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ମ?
Answer A by 2 in my.
ଆପଣ ସବୁ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ମତେ। ଆପଣ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କାଉନସିଲ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ରେଟ୍ ଜାଣିବେନି ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା ଇମ୍ପସିବଲ କଥା କେହି ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିବେନି।
Just as a cooperative bank, my lord.
ସାର୍ କୋଅପରେଟିଭ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କଣ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ବାହାର କଣ
Cannot go
ପାକିସ୍ତାନର
beyond their statutory.
କୋଅପରେଟିଭ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ତ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କିଂ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଭିତରେ ଜଣେ।
So they,
ତ କେତେ
not like
କେତେ
private bank, monopoly, they will hidden.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେତେ ହିଡେନ୍
Nothing hidden. So
ତାପରେ
cooperative bank.
କେତେ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
Urban cooperative.
କେତେ
Nothing hidden amount is there. Calculator.
ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଜାଣିବା ଦରକାର ନା କେତେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲା ଆପଣ କେମିତି 7 ଲାଖରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲେ ବି ଜାଣିବା ଦରକାର ନା।
2009 they have defaulted since 2009.
डिफॉल्ट लोन ନେଲେ ପରେ 2009 डिफॉल्टर କିନ୍ତୁ 2009 ହେଲେ 2012 ରେ एनपीए ହେଇଛି डिफॉल्टर କେମିତି ହେଲେ।
See the auction sale notice.
I am asking you he has slipped to NPA in 2012 till 2012 things are okay.
No, 2012, 2013 when auction and 13 to 13 was given, the amount was 3 lakh something.
Auction kole
No, auction was stayed because they have filed this Hon'Ble court to pay some amount. That is why auction has order dated 12/12/2020.
ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସ୍ମଲ୍ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ନେଇଛି ସେ ଆପଣ ପୁରା ଲମ୍ବା ଚଉଡ଼ା 7 ଲକ୍ଷ ବଡ ଲମ୍ବା ଚଉଡ଼ା ନ କରିକି ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ କନସିଡର କରିବେ।
They have filed IA. That IA they have prayed for a OTS recently.
ଆପଣ OTS କନସିଡର କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
There is a recent OTS scheme was there that they have not availed, neither they
Okay,
have applied.
let him approach. Okay, and consider the petitioner to approach the opposite party bank with a decent proposal for OTS, and the said bank shall.
I have approached my lord. They refuse. How through correct?
Decent proposal देवे ता अर्थ नहीं कि आपण टिके डिसेंट लागिवा कथा सेडे भी कान को सुइले भलो सुबुत
ସେମାନେ admittedly 2,25,000 is the principal outstanding.
आपण से भितरु अबे बाहरun ताको से भितरु से 2 लाख ऊपर
नहीं
अब एते वर्ष हलान सेडा भूली जाउछिन खाली 2 लाख आपण देखा जाउछि बैंक को भी शूट करिया
नहीं 3,30 देई छले आ 2 25
डिसेंट प्रपोजल हला आपण आपण जिया पाठ पढिछि एमबीए ए सब कर आउडे जाईकरी आपण ओडे मैट्रिक फेल पिला को बा करबी
My friend.
करबे नेचुरली
नहीं
सेमती लोन देइछि 2 लाख एते वर्ष हलान आपण कहबे नै मते 2 लाख ने 2 लाख ने कि दिने सिंपल कथा डिसेंट प्रपोजल मीन डिसेंट प्रपोजल हां डिसेंट प्रपोजल and this bank shall consider in accordance with law. This court hopes and trusts that the bank and the petitioner and the bank shall settle the amount overdue. The outstanding amicably within a period of 1 month from the date of submission of the OTS proposal by the.
Say something because principal they are admitting 2 lakhs.
Sir, आपण जमोजरा कथावार्ता हुंतु होपफुली कि हे जो
Admittedly one scheme was
ओडी आपण पैसा नेगिरी लोक देगिरी पळौछंती किछि करि पारु ना काना लोक देवा पे इच्छा रखुची काहे टिके स्लाइटली रिलैक्स करला कोन असुविधा हो जाउची एही सेति कि आपण टिके इंटरेस्ट पर जो ये तो टिके रिलैक्स करला हे जिवो पैसा टाइम अमाउंट कोना नेगिरी पळै जाउची से भलो होची आ लोक दउ नांती तो देवा पे टिके
मो कंडीशन में गोटे छोटिया बरा पे दुकान गां रे करछि दैट इज माय सोर्स
1 lakh they may deposit and approve 1 lakh.
से गोटे 19/12/2022 रो
यार से माने आपण जोडा ओटीएस प्रपोजल रो जोडा आपण इकछि सेटा डिसेंट प्रपोजल माने इंक्लूड दैट आल्सो से माने से आपण से ये कर से डिपॉजिट दे से आपण जाई बैंक के जान तो बैंक जा करियो करियो हला
सेटा गोटे खाली जो टू कंसीडर इन पर्सन इनकम कंसोनेंस टू दी देयर ओटीएस स्कीम डेटेड 19/12/2022 सेटा
से स्कीम दा ओटीएस ता चेंज होता है गोटे स्कीम आउट स्कीम आसीबो आपण जो स्कीम अवेलेबल से
existing
OTS the OTS proposal which is available at present हला
मजो
आ से पुराना रे हम चलथिबो वारे student change heavily.
Right.
Obliged. OTS is always sacrifice.
That
This is a sacrificial lamb. କାଟନ୍ତିନି sacrifice ଦିଅନ୍ତିନି ବଳି ଆପଣ ବଳି ସେମାନେ ବଳି ପଡନ୍ତି ବୁଝିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଆଉ ଆପଣ OTS କୁ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ matter of right କି no they have to sacrifice a lot of money. Next. Good. Yes, ଜଣା ପଡିଲା କି
Item 20.
ଜଣା ପଡିଲା କେତେ amount ରହିଗଲା ଜଣା ପଡିଲା
No, milord. Today I am filing an IA, milord. Here, milord, they have given a proposal, milord. They have rejected my application, milord. Sorry, not rejected. On 8/1/2024, milord, they have issued a letter to me.
This is
You enhance the proposal, my lord. They have calculated the amount and accordingly given a direction to me to deposit 10% upfront amount.
ଆପଣ କେତେ amount ଥିଲା କି
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଥିଲି 340 lakhs ରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଟାକୁ ସେଟଲ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମାନେ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ବୋର୍ଡ ବସିକି ଡିସିଜନ ନେଇଥିଲା 10% upfront amount କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ବି 34 lakhs ଆଜ୍ଞା ପେମେଣ୍ଟ କରିଦେଲି ତାପରେ 8/1/2000
କେତେ ଅଛି ଲୋନ୍
ମାଇଲ
ଲୋନ୍ ଟା କେତେ
The outstanding amount is 5 crore, your lordship.
No, that is
Yes,
4
lordship.
crore somewhat.
No, your lordship. As per the sale notice amount, I am telling that. As per the sale notice.
So you have deposited 10%.
10%, 34 lakhs, milord, I have deposited.
34
after deposit,
34 lakh in 10%.
34, milord, 340 lakhs रो 34 lakhs हबनी जोटा
से तो कहूची
The outstanding amount is 5 crore, your lord.
5 crore something.
The outstanding amount was, milord, I am submitting. The outstanding amount was 4 crore 80 lakhs.
Then 48 lakh it should be. 10%.
No, milord. Milord, for a OTS proposal, milord, they have submitted that, milord, the total outstanding amount is 4.81 lakhs, milord. Then, milord, they are after, milord,
4.81 lakh. Then 10% केते हो
34 340 lakhs रे क्या OTS हबो बोली डिसाइड हैला
OTS amount रो
OTS amount रो 10% upfront दिया हुए ना upfront amount is always the
no that is
proposal arrived at
मो कहा 340 से OTS मानी छंती
No, your lordship. We have communicated the petitioner to enhance.
Madam, good minute, let me submit. Good minute.
Let him complete. You sit down.
Good minute. Your lordship, for a moment, milord, kindly see the letter.
I got neither of these.
This is a letter, milord, communicated me on 8. Sir, say letter 8/1/2024 with reference to your OTS offer for settlement of your accounts in the name of so and so. For rupees 340 lakhs, you are advised to increase the offer amount, milord. That was the OTS amount offered, milord, 340 lakhs. And milord, the amount of 10% upfront amount, milord, I have deposited of 34 lakhs, milord. Now, milord, they have stated that to increase the offer. Now, milord, I will give another proposal.
Give the proposal. Land counsel for the petitioner is directed to respond to the letter dated 8/1/2024 issued by the Punjab National Bank, Circle Shastra Center, 2nd floor, Zonal Office, Bhubaneswar, wherein the letter advises the present petitioner to increase the offer amount substantially for consideration as per the bank OTS policy. According to the petitioner is directed to increase the offer amount and approach the bank.
By day after tomorrow, my lord.
Within 3 days.
My lord,
Within
let
3
them
working days
take
from today.
Let them take a decision, my lord, within a 7 days.
And the bank shall take a decision within 1 week thereafter. List the matter on 6th ras. Hala.
नहीं से पूर्व आसु गोटे सप्ताह पर because they have now they have
Sale
issued
notice has been issued.
they have issued this letter on 8th. On 10th, they have ସେଥିପାଇଁ 18 19 ରେ ଆସୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ତା ଭିତରେ ସେମାନେ ଡିସିସନ ଟା
18 19 କେମିତି ଆସିବ ସର ଆଜି ପରେ 17
ସରି ମିନିଟ୍ 25 କି 26 ରେ ଆସୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ପରଦିନ ଫାଇଲ କରି ଦଉଛି
29 ରେ
29
Lordship,
ସେଲ
name may
ନୋଟିସ
be
ଆଗରୁ ବି ଦିଥର ହେଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା that sale notice ମିନିଟ୍ sale has never been ସେଥିପାଇଁ କି ଆଜ୍ଞା ମାନେ we are at least we are not worried ମିନିଟ୍ sale notice ସେ ଯୋଉ ଇଏ
ବି ସେଠି ବହୁତ ଗହନ କଥା ଅଛି କହିବିନି ଆଇ नो କଣ ହୁଏ
ସାର୍ ଆଗରୁ କଣ ହଉଥିଲା ସାର୍ ହଉଥିଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କଥା ମତେ କହନ୍ତୁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କଥା ମୁଁ ଭଲ କି
ସାର୍ ଆମେ ସବୁବେଳେ କଣ କରୁଥିଲୁ କି କୋର୍ଟ ଆମକୁ କହୁଥିଲା ଏତିକି % ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କର ଆମେ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କରିଦଉଥିଲୁ ସାର୍ ଏମିତି ହେଇକି 2-3 ମାସ ଭିତରେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବି ତା ପଇସା ପାଇଯାଉଥିଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ସାର୍ ଜାଣୁଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଦ ସିଚୁଏସନ ନାଉ upfront amount नहीं जाउछन सर upfront amount नेला पर 340 गोटे फिगर कहि देले they will never issue a letter.
अपफ्रंट अमाउंट नहीं कि तम आपण डिपॉजिट अकाउंट रे लोन अकाउंट रे पूरे देबे से काटी चली पड़ी
आज्ञा से लोन अमाउंट पके गोटे लियन अकाउंट रे रखिबे
हां लेन अकाउंट
ताको पुणी आज्ञा देखिबे आज्ञा पुणी ता 2 दिन पर गोटे सेल नोटिस काट देबे पुणी जिंदा हम आउट अपफ्रंट अमाउंट दबु एमते अपफ्रंट अमाउंट हम देई चलीतु आज्ञा कि ओरिजिनल अमाउंट ता सेम थुआइथो सर सेतिरे एथिरे देखिबे सर वर्षे तळे आज्ञा अपफ्रंट अमाउंट नेले 24 लाख ताकू छाड़ देले
दे आर व्यापारी
से माने इश्यू भी कलेनी नो लेटर वाज इश्यू बैंक को डाकी देबे अपफ्रंट अमाउंट एति के देई दियो
जस्ट ट्राई
Your Lordship, a name may be recorded for the bank.
What is your name?
Anjan Kumar Biswal may be reflected.
Your name?
Rashmi Rekha Pradhan. Your Lordship. For Anjan.
Yes, next.
Okay.
Next.
Item 64.
64.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I have filed an IA wherein I prayed that a copy of the report of the engineer commissioner may be served upon me, which has been submitted by him in sealed cover and is with the registrar judicial.
Sorry, sir, I can get.
This petition was basically
64.
64.
petition for damage caused to the house of the petitioner due to some
कौन है जी कौन मत कहले
culvert theory होतला
Okay.
culvert theory ला जो खोडू was appointed to submit a report. That report
by this court.
again ma'am 2123.
So who is the where is the report?
With the registrar judicial.
It was in sealed cover of the
Seal cover jurisprudence, pathetic jurisprudence. कौन seal cover है reporter कौन टा है seal cover भरले जो देख हमें खुला seal cover. I don't like this seal cover. अच्छे नहीं.
It's a registered judicial cover here. So that's why I think the petitioner has filed an IA for
काली लगे. Item 1 कर लो. Item 1. है ना? Come at 10:30. Don't sleep till late day. है ना? 10:30 I mean 10. पहला मारे ना मगे दिखा. Say proceed. Now Supreme Court is deprecating the seal cover jurisprudence. So we should not. You people should oppose whenever there is seal cover award. कौन seal cover? रोज़ open खोलम खुला सब देखियो seal cover उड़े कौन. Next.
Item 65.
এটা কোন স্যার এটা আরে পলিসি ক্লেম কোদি পই এ রোজ সাত দবা কোন পই আউ এতে কাউন্টার রিজন কইবে রোজ শুনো তো কোন হেইতি মতে কোন টিকে মই
No, no.
Not the only way.
No, no, no.
ଆପଣ ଆପଣ
ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଇଛି
ଆପଣ ୱାଇଫ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ୱାଇଫ ପାଇଁ ହଁ ୱାଇଫ ପାଇଁ କହୁଛି ପରା ସେ ୱାଇଫ ପାଇଁ ତ କେତେଟା ୱାଇଫ ତାଙ୍କର କି
ସିଏ ଆଜ୍ଞା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଟୋଟାଲି ୱାଇଫ ସି ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ଦି ୱାଇଫ ମୁଁ ଏଥିରେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡାକ ଏଥିରେ ଦଉଛୁ ସିଏ ବି ନୋବିନି ବି ଆଗରୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ରେ ବି ଥିଲା ପ୍ଲସ ତାର ଆରଓଆର ରେ ବି ତା ନାଁ ବି ଅଛି
ୱାଇଫ ଇଏ ଆପଣ ହିଁ ୱାଇଫ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
so you are the wife no
legal hair certificate ବି ଦେଇଛି ରିଟ୍ ରେ ରିଟ୍ ଟାକୁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ legal hair certificate ସବୁ ତ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଏଥିରେ ଆନେକ୍ସ ଅଛି
ଆପଣ ପଇସା ପ୍ରିମିୟମ ନେଲା ବେଳେ ତ ଏସବୁ ଏତେ କଥା ଉଠେନି ଦେଲା ବେଳେ ଆପଣ ଲିଗାଲ ୱାଇଫ ନୁହେଁ ଇଏ ୱାଇଫ ନୁହେଁ
ପେଜ 6 ଟାକୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଆସୁ ଏଇଟା
ମିନତି ସାହୁ ତ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ସାର୍ ପଲିସିରେ ବି ମିନତି ସାହୁ ଅଛି ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହେଲା ଆପଣ କମ୍ପାନୀରେ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆପଣ କମ୍ପାନୀରେ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
ନୋମିନି ଇଜ ଦ ବ୍ରଦର ଅଫ ଦ ଡିସିଜ୍ଡ ନୋମିନି ଇଜ ଦ ବ୍ରଦର ଅଫ ଦ ଡିସିଜ୍ଡ ବ୍ରଦର ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏଥିରେ ଏମାନେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଥିରେ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଓପିନ ନମ୍ବର 3 ମାନେ ତା ବିହାବରେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ତା ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ନୁହଁ କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି ସିଧି ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ବା ଏଠି
ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ଶୁଣ
ପାରା 5 ସାର୍ ଏଥିରେ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ
ଟିକେ ଶୁଣିବେ ଟିକେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
at a time ଦି ଜଣ କଲେ ମୁଁ କେମିତି ବୁଝିବି ପ୍ଲିଜ sit down I am asking a simple question ଆପଣ ମାନେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ବିଲରେ ସଲ୍ଭ ହୁଅନ୍ତା ଆପଣ ଏ ଅନନେସେସରି ଯୋଉ ୱାଇଫ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ଭଳିଆ ଝଗଡା ଲାଗନ୍ତି ଦେନ୍ ବିଗ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ସେ ୱାଇଫ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ଝଗଡା ନ ଲାଗୁଛି ଆପଣ ବେଶୀ ଲାଗୁଛି ସିମ୍ପଲ କଥା ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ଶୁଣିବେ ମୋ କଥା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପଲିସିରେ କୋଉ ନାଁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ୱାଇଫ ର ନାଁ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି 2 मिनिट सॉल्व हो प्रॉब्लम पॉलिसी रे कोन लगाई दी वाइफ रो ना नहीं नॉमिनी है ना ब्रदर वाइफ रो ना नहीं हो नॉमिनी ठीक है रहंतु नॉमिनी वाला ब्रदर कार जे पुअर भाई जे डिसीज रो भाई डिसीज रो भाई तो ओके डिसीज रो भाई नॉमिनी इज ओनली जस्ट अ केयरटेकर छाड़ दे से जी आपण तो वाइफ को पैसा दे खत्म एते कथा बडे आ एते तार ये न आपण के जाय आपण इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को जाय के तार लीगल सर्टिफिकेट प्रोड्यूस करला देबे सीधा ठीक ठीक है ओके लैंड काउंसिल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी सबमिट दैट 6 for 2 days time to get the instruction from the concerned branch of the LIC. List the better on 5th February. Hala. 5th February. Hala. आपण provision time पाउथि सर आपण खाली गोटे जिंस आपण नॉमिनी को पैसा दे देछंती की सब दे देले ना आपण पाए नहीं नहीं और नॉमिनी पैसा नहीं पूरा नहीं जाए तो देई ना दी ना अदा लीगल दे दे पॉलिसी होल्डर नॉमिनी जे अछि ताक पाखरे पैसा ताकू देबा कथा आपण कहउछु किंतु नॉमिनी जदी तार वाइफ हे नथिबो somebody else हितबो फर्स्ट क्लास लीगल एयर नथिबो अलग के हितबो एई लीगल एयर को दे दे पैसा खत्म गार्डन मंदिर नकल पब्लिक मनी करबा नहीं नहीं यू आर राइट आई एब्सोल्युटली एग्री विथ यू as an institution you have to guard their interest of course that's fine but there is time of course that's true let him next
66
Your Lordship, for item number 66, I pray for only 1 week time so that I can file my draft
I'll
counter.
change your name what is your name what is your name
Jyoti Tripathi.
From tomorrow you are adjournment Tripathi every time you are asking for adjournment only
Your Lordship, I already sent the jo draft WS count.
I'll change it miss adjournment your name from today miss adjournment every time you are asking for adjournment only
Your Lordship, I'm sorry.
ଏବେ ତ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କର ମ୍ୟାଟରଟେ ଦେଖିବା କେମିତି ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛ
Your Lordship, counter asla pa if your Lordship allow, then I will continue.
oh I'm always allowing I'm all junior counsel most welcome argue the matter
Oblige, Your Lordship.
so what do you want
Only 1 week time, Your Lordship.
For?
For filing my counter. I've already sent it, my lord. Kali pheri ke aise nahi sign ki. That's it.
counsel for the you're for the health
Was it part
insurance
number 1 to 4, my lord?
health insurance
Again. 1 and 4. Detail.
1 and 4 6 1 week time to file the counter okay next
Your
is the
Lordship.
matter on 6th
Again. Oblige, Your Lordship.
next
67
67 yes
This item number 67 for the petitioner, my lords. My lordship, एथरे गोटे एनओसी इश्यू कर देछि बैंक आमे एंटर डिक्री अमाउंट देई सरछु तथापि एनओसी रे लिखि दैछन्ती कि द सेटलमेंट अमाउंट हैज बीन पेड थ्रू कॉम्प्रोमाइज से जो आवर सिविल स्कोर हैज बीन अफेक्टेड एंड माय लॉर्डशिप हैज डायरेक्टेड टू इंप्लीड सिविल एज ए नेसेसरी पार्टी आज माय लॉर्डशिप आईएटा फाइल करछि लेट इट कम ऑन रिकॉर्ड
land council petitioner he has filed the IA for including the civil the IA the improvement is allowed notice is issued to the newly included respondent that is civil address पर आदेश दी
yes ma'am
civil कहाँ को आदेश दी के civil head के ଆମର କଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି କଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍
my lordship detailed address का नो
ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ ଆଇ ରେ
ଏଇଟା my lordship ଆଇଏଟା ନୁହଁ ମୁଁ ଦେଖି ଦଉଛି ଆଇଏଟା ମୋ ପାଇଁ ନାହିଁ
ମତେ ଆଇ ଦେଖିଲେ ମତେ
ମୋ ହାତରେ ହେଲେ ନାହିଁ my lordship
ତା କଣ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ ତାହେଲେ
ଜେରକ୍ସ କରିବାକୁ ଅଲରେଡି ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି ସେ ଫାଇଲ
ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି ନା ଆମ ଫାଇଲ ଅଛି ଦେଖିଲ
ଫାଇଲ ଆସି ନଥିବ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ କହିଲି my
ଫାଇଲ
lordship,
ଆସି ନଥିବ
ଆଜି ସକାଳେ ଫାଇଲ କଲି
ଯୋଉଦିନ matter ଲାଗୁଛି
କମନ ରେକର୍ଡ
कर दे land consideration please for the I let the matter be listed on 29 days ओटे आए फाइल 2 पेज फाइल एते केतरा डेट नेबे म छाडे आए गोटे फाइल
हे सर आज की
फाइल हे सर आज कहीं कले आपण 2 दिन आगु करथले कोन असुविधा जानता फिर फाइल जानु छथि मैटर लागि छी आज फाइल करबे आज किते आसीबो फाइल It also requires some time. File तो गोड़ा आता नहीं ना, यदि पढ़े ऐसे बच्चा चली. These people have to bring the file. फिर out of date notice अब दिन अपने आप 22nd करो, 22nd. Next.
68.
68.
68 minute, pray for 2 weeks minute. Mr. Tripadi's grandfather died yesterday. Minute.
You are saying what?
Hello?
What do you say?
Pray for 2 weeks minute. Mr. Tripadi's grandfather minute passed yesterday. Minute. He is in village. Minute.
The copy of the counter.
You are appearing yesterday in the matter, that matter.
Minute?
Yesterday you are appearing, na? I had granted time
No,
for that some matter. Today it was listed.
No, minute.
In the morning hour, somebody asked for this thing. For this party, na? Chandan tika wala tha ye.
Minute.
हाँ तो ये तो he was there in that matter.
Minute.
But matter टा काली थिला ना आपण थिले बोधे. और न जाने आप लोग जानिबो.
I was not there.
Somebody from your office was there. This is the matter. Hala se withdrawal application file कुछ
No, same.
खाली ऐसे orally.
No, same method.
नहीं.
So item 70 to 60.
अरे मुझे जानी थी. From his office I'm saying. His office. Tell your जे भी तुम्हारा ये कहो. आज मैटर टा थिला से विथड्रॉ करे थिला विथड्रॉ पे मना करली. से मैटर डाकला से कहीं आइली नहीं. कॉस्ट इंपोज करिवि 2 लाख टका सेतेबेले जान बुझिबे. कहि देबे तमर सीनियर को. कहीं he is not present. Why he is not present? हम कोन चाकर. आपण पचार गुडी. Why are you here, sir?
The release the original.
To
original title deeds minute is with the bank minute.
आपण पैसा कंप्लीट दे सारे नहीं. Enter payment है गला नहीं. Have you paid the whole amount?
No,
Then how can they release the title deed, sir? Unless you pay the whole amount, how will they release the title deed? You first pay the whole amount, then only they will release the title deed. What do you say?
Take instruction minute. How much paid the outstanding is there? How the outstanding is there? I will take instruction minute.
Okay, land transfer the petitioner. 6. Next to take instruction. List the matter. First February. And go and get that information. And call that person who was mentioning otherwise. Ask him. And you have to today you have to finish it. I don't want to this in all the crab explanation. Okay. When you are filing, you have to argue the matter. And not कि मन इच्छा आसबे मन इच्छा पळेबे मैटर मु कहली ताको दुटा आसे से गायब को भाई मुगल मैटर रेज कला आसे से आसिलिन को भाई आसिलिन तो फिक्स करथिले दुटा से पे मैटरटा call him or the anyway or you argue whatever but I will hear the matter. I'm not going to spare so next 70 it is
71.
71
Item 71.
देख लो ओल्ड এটা কোন আছে 71 71
Non-appears on the last.
Non appears today. Non appears on the last date of posting. That is on 9/10/2023. Listen to the next.
72.
72.
Or if I may please your lordship, my lord.
Your father?
I'm appearing for the petitioner, my lord.
Petitioner.
Your lordship.
Lordship, in this case, appearing for Mr. M.K. Pati, your lordship, CGC, due to some personal difficulties, your lordship, some adjournment, your lordship, next week, your lordship.
What is the matter?
My lord, the matter relates to the death of a person, and we have sought for ex gratia compensation from the Union of India as well as the railways.
That the person from unmanned traffic.
Agya. That is as per their case, my lord. They are admitting this. However, my lord, they have this.
I picked some of the unmanned traffic cases.
As your lordship pleases.
Batch rasiju.
Okay. My lord, additionally, they have also made a claim that this person is insane. 124A is a exception clause, right? Although there's nothing on record to substantiate such allegations, they have made out a case in their counter.
Okay, I'm fixing it for another day where all the batch matters are coming. Entire batch is coming.
As your lordship pleases.
13th
13th February. Yes.
Grateful,
13th
your
February, along with the batch of matters. Next.
73.
73.
My lord, it's a custodial death matter, and we have paid for compensation. In Bheden police station of Bargot district, Makhnu Bag was murdered by the IIC. OIC. Then, yes.
In the
body was disposed of in Ulunda under Subarnapur police district. When Ulunda police station has not filed the counter affidavit till date, my lord.
You have filed.
I've got that instruction.
What is the instruction?
I'm handing
Is it
over.
a case that the person was arrested and he was in police custody and he died inside custody?
My lord.
You agree with that?
This is the instruction.
Then you have to pay.
And the charge sheet has already been filed by the Ulunda police.
All those accused persons have been arrested and behind the bar.
Yeah, in fact, you admit that. So he was illegally detained in Bheden PS up to 18/7/2015 night, and he died there in police custody during interrogation and torture. You have to pay that. What is the amount fixed for that?
3 lakhs.
No, my lord, wait.
Torture karibe 3 lakhs. How many?
No, this is the,
Nine.
it is not on the police custody, but jail custody, it has been fixed.
No,
at
no,
3
my
lakhs.
lord.
It is police custody, it is, sir.
In jail custody, it has been fixed at 3 lakhs.
My
Jail
lord,
custody, police custody to
Police
adhika habo.
custody କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
Police custody adhika habo.
Police custody କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
5 lakh diyantu.
no, my lord, this honorable court has awarded in such cases more than 10 lakh, minor 10 lakh already.
You have any?
Tomorrow I will produce that judgment because they have not filed any counter. I have recently got the bail application order of the concerned OIC and came to know that he was charge sheeted and the case is now pending before the sessions judge.
That's a different thing.
So tomorrow, my lord,
Okay.
I will produce the judgments.
Okay.
Or 2 days.
Okay, I will list the matter on 20,
Already the petitioner has
24th, 29th.
Already the petitioner has received 2,70,000.
2,70,000.
I will
Petitioner
take
is the
it.
father. Who is he?
Actually, the case was against.
Who is the petitioner? Who is the petitioner?
Petitioner is
Petitioner
the son.
Son. The father died.
Father died. Actually, the case was not against the father. A petitioner's brother was
He has been
actually
accused under section 376
petitioner's brother.
and absconded.
For interrogating about his son, the father was called to the police station, and the father was killed. After 2 months, the body was found in another area, and after DNA test, it was confirmed, and the OIC was charge sheeted under section 302, my lord.
Very good.
Very sinister case, my lord. Man, it's a case of murder by a police officer.
Yeah, of course. 10 lakh is get prepared. You give me one judgment on that. 10 lakh is saying something. No? 10 lakh, I know that usually it should be, but let me see some judgment you want to show me.
On 29th, I will produce everything, my lord.
Yes. Next.
Next date, 29th, my lord of life.
29, yes.
75.
75. 75. 75. None. এটা কোন আছে দেখো? None appears for the petitioner.
First time.
Okay. This is the matter on 24th.
76.
76.
This is my lord, 2 weeks time may be granted to file phrase requisite on correct address.
2 weeks time granted for fresh requisite.
Oh, yes.
This is the matter on 8th February. 77.
No, I am appearing for Union of India in this case. 76. Union of India appearance.
What is the matter about?
compensation matter, my lord, say level casing.
Same, सब तरह तक दो, सब तरह तक गुटे बैच सादा दो. Next, 78,
77.
77.
77, my lord. Wife of the petitioner met with a tragic death during that Kandamal riot. Your lordship has heard this matter twice, perhaps.
How? I mean, how he died?
Oh, my lord,
His wife died.
because of the dangerous situation, they fled to the jungle, and while they were retreating in the jungle, the wife was bitten by the snake. Snake. And since there was curfew, the husband was not in a position to take her to the hospital. On the next day, somehow he took him to the hospital, and in the hospital, she was declared dead. And relying on the discharge certificate, the husband submitted a representation to the chief secretary, claiming compensation, as it has been paid to several other victims. That was not.
So other affected person, how much compensation they got?
8 lakhs, my lord. After the intervention
snake
of
biting, how much it is there?
After the
snake biting?
intervention.
I'm explaining the entire situation, my lord. So on order dated 6/12/2023, your lordship directed me to take instructions. On that date, I have categorically shown your lordship the number of documents, my lord. On that date, your lordship directed me to take instructions from the collector of Kandhamal whether the present petitioner has died due to the Kandhamal violence or not. In the case, your lordship also directed me to obtain the document whether her name was enlisted in that beneficiary list or not. Here is a case, my lord. The present petitioners, the wife of the present petitioner, died of snake bite, but not due to Kandhamal violence, man. See, the husband, the present petitioner, admitted before the medical officer that the snake, common crate, bite her wife at 1 p.m., 1 a.m. in her house, man. Now, my Lord Senior, after 15 years, by taking a plea that while the Kandhamal violence was in force, she was due to curfew.
When did she die actually?
In her home.
During that
Yes.
period?
I have already categorically mentioned in my, that document is also with me, my lord.
That is the story they have developed.
No,
their counter.
I don't know who has developed the story, this side or that side, I don't know, but something has been.
They have substituted this ground.
But one thing, sir, even if that Kandhamal riot is there, everything is fine, but when snake biting is the cause, snake biting is our compensation.
Snake bite seteବେଳେ ନଥିଲା ପଇସା ଦବା ପାଇଁକା 2015 ରେ ଆସିଲା. If this is a case of 2008, at that time the notification was not for the snake bite matter. ସେ କୋଉ ପଟେ ବି ସେ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି. ସେଦିନ ଆପଣ ଶୁଣିଥିଲେ.
Give note, both of you.
Man, brief note I have submitted. Let me take just 1 minute. D page रो आपण सबले insist करंती brief note.
Very brief.
ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଟା ମୁଁ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ରେ ଦେଇଛି ଯୋଉ ମାନେ ଡେଥ୍ କନ୍ଧମାଳ ଭାয়োଲେନ୍ସ ରେ ପର୍ସନ୍ ହୁଏ ଡେଥ୍ ମ୍ୟାଟର ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି 39 ପିପୁଲଙ୍କର ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି. After that, Honorable Supreme Court interfered. The matter was brought to the Honorable Apex Court. Apex Court directed for extra amount was also given.
3 lakhs.
ତାକୁ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ସେମାନେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ମରିଥିଲେ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କର ହେଇଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ସେପାରେଟ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ବି ହେଇଛି. ଇଏ କୋଉଥିରେ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି. ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ମାନେ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ଆଉ ହାଉସ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ.
I will give a short note, both of you.
D page रो ମୁଁ already ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି. ଗୋଟେ minute submit. Just only 1 minute I will submit. Now, after 3 rounds of litigation before this honorable court and after contempt notice, annexer 4 रो जो rejection order, the collector has taken only 2 grounds. गोटे हला non-intimation, second ground हला non-enumeration of her name. Both the grounds are unreasonable and unsustainable because adversarial plea नहीं कि they cannot take in the matter of dispensation of compensation. My lord. And moreover,
both of you.
Moreover, in the counter, they have substituted and supplemented a new ground which is not there in the rejection order. That cannot be allowed.
आप लिखी के दिया ना पॉइंट लिखी दे बस सेटिंग आगे से करें.
D page रो counter kindly your lordship में.
Small issue 2-3 पॉइंट बाहर ही वो कितना. Next.
Item 79.
79.
Lordship, last occasion, your lordship was directed to implead the collector Noyagad as OP number 5. I have filed IA in that regard, and the consolidated cost
Noting shows that he has implemented Tahsildar Khaliko as OP5.
OP4.
OP4 is the Tahsildar Khaliko, but the noting said that he has filed an IA
for implementation of Tahsildar Khalikot as OP5.
ଆପଣ application ଟା ଦେଇକି ଦେଖିଲେ କାହାକୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
First, it was to collector
Now କାହାକୁ
Ganjam,
କରିଛନ୍ତି? At present, who is the implicated party?
collector Noyagad.
He is Tahsildar. Let me see your IA. Asini.
Yes.
This flag B, my lord.
IS 652 of 2024.
The copy has.
No, no, Asini. It's not there. Asini.
It is there in noting.
Huh?
Flag B.
Flag?
B.
652.
Tahsildar against the collector କାହିଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି? You have made it Tahsildar.
Tahsildar Khalikot that.
ତାକୁ ତ କରିବାର ଥିଲା।
ନାଇଁ ନୟାଗଡ଼ କରିବାର ଥିଲା।
Tahsildar has already been implemented as party on previous occasion.
That is Khalikot, sir. That is Khalikot. I have
Tahsildar କୁହନ୍ତୁନି, ତହସିଲଦାର କୋଉଠି ଜାଗାର?
Tahsildar Khalikot.
Khalikot
I have requested as the disbursed amount is with the Tahsildar Noyagad. Therefore, I have.
Why are you not making the तहसीलदार नागड़ जे पार्टी? यार क्या आप लोग समझ में नहीं आता, पता नहीं नशा नशा खाते हो क्या आप लोग?
I'll file it.
I'll file it.
Conducting
You are
counsel at that time.
conducting, I'm least bothered about all this.
Pardon, my lord. My lord, it actually in the prayer part it was wrong. Only mentioned.
Prayer part wrong क्या करिए कौन भाई? Prayer part ठीक करने का काम कर मोर ना अपन करो.
Apology, my lord.
अच्छा फिर करो तो ठीक करके दिया फाइल करो.
My lord, I can.
सर फाइल करो तो हिंदी हुई नहीं. Refile it.
ଏଇଟାକୁ
My lord, I-
Sort that.
ଏଇଟାକୁ
withdraw.
କରି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
My lord, I may be permitted to correct the.
कोड पर हिंदी करेक्ट हुई नहीं. कौन आप प्रेयर को किसी पर चेंज कर दिए लाइन कट गई.
My lord, already I have mentioned the opposite party number as the collector Noyagad. But by
लिखला और आप तहसीलदार लिख देंगे.
sorry, my lord.
सॉरी कहले कौन आप चेंज करिए पड़ेगा ना. You change it. अब प्रेयर लम्बे बावंती में गाड़ी पंचायत ऑफिस सब मुझे लगी चेंज कर देवी चेंज कर देवी थोड़ी देवी जा कर दे नहीं जो इनके क्या भाव कोर्ट मैटर शुड बी देयर इज सैंक्टिटी टू दिस. चेंज इट. केमती चेंज हुई केमती चेंज हुई वो आउट देखिए पड़ेगा ना. पेज टा चेंज कर दे. Oh, ठीक है. Okay. Principal petitioner is allowed to change the prayer portion of the IA, है ना? but page the fresh page टे काढ़ी के ये change कर दो, है ना? 89.
Already I have the I have.
आमो फाइल भी आवाज़ दरकार ना?
My lord, I will produce it.
Next. ना धोरी की राशन रेडी करी. आप क्या ये ते मूलर को बोलना से सिखा था? अरे अति मैंने आप स्मार्ट रोड चारों सीमा रे पहुंच गए. ଧରିକି ଆସିଲି ଇଏ କରିବି ପୁଣି ସେଟା କହିଦେଲେ ସେ ମୂଳରୁ ସେ କଥା କହିପାରିଥାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଯେ ଏଇଟା ଭୁଲି ଯାଇଛି ଏମିତି ମୁଁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବି ଖତମ ଏତିକି ତ କହିବାର ଅଛି. ଆଉ ସେଇଟା ତହସିଲଦାର ନୟାଗଡ଼ ଖଲିକୋଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବସିକି. ନେକ୍ସଟ ଲଗେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲା 2007 ତାରିଖରେ. ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 81.
7.
Yes.
Item 81.
81.
My lord, one chapter, my lord, a long time it has come in the list for hearing, my lord.
Sorry,
What
what
is
is doing is challenge the payment of charge under section 376. Ample reasons, I'll just, my lord, hand over the 164.
2016 मैटर अब ଏବେ के
Some grant at least one week,
stay agree पड़ितो
one week. हफ्ता समय दियंतु आसु नेक्स्ट कॉल.
କିଛି ନାହିଁ 2016 मैटर ରଖିବିନି. मैटर ଗୋଟେ 4 ବର୍ଷ ଠିକ କରିଦେ ଆଉ କେବେ ଡିଲେ ହେଉଛି ଆପଣ ଏଠି ଆସିକି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ
ତ ବହୁତ ଦିନ ପରେ
ହଁ ଆସୁ ବହୁତ ଦିନ ପରେ କଣ.
That is the statement of the survivor. Charge has been framed on 376.
Boss incident. Boss. कुछ नहीं हुआ क्या? Instruction. And she vacated since long. हाँ. कुछ नहीं मिला. हाँ बुझ हाँ हाँ हाँ
ठीक है
actually the trial has been completed so
ट्रायल कंप्लीट आउटकम ला माने
instruction ମୁଁ ନେବି ସେ next week ରଖନ୍ତୁ that
Land Council the petition submit that the trial has already been completed, hence the criminal revision.
but I will take I will take instruction that
ଆଉ କଣ instruction
next Monday ରଖନ୍ତୁ
ଆଉ 2016 ବସିଥିବ ଆପଣ
ନା Monday Friday
କେହି
ରଖନ୍ତୁ
ନଥିଲା ନା
stay vacate ହେଇଥିଲା ବୋଧେ ସେ in view of that judgment ହଁ stay ଥିଲା in view of the Asian Surface Act the stay might have vacated so I will take Monday I will not take instruction
मंडे कर दे
भाई
82.
नेक्स्ट
Monday
मंडे
आइए 22 तारीख
नेक्स्ट
82.
82 5 बेटा पढ़ा non APS the petitioner 24 next 80
83.
83 83 अपना
no no the drivers has been allowed and permanent allowance has been given it has been
or allowed to consider parties submit that the matter within purpose dispose of in function. Next
84.
84
So unfreezing of a bank account is a matter of 2016.
Since the matter pertaining to the unfreezing of the bank account and the matter is pertaining to 2016, the matter may seem to be in process. Non-APS for the particular. Disposable in purchase. Next
85.
85.
May I please?
Yes.
Now, this is a peculiar case, my lord. The prosecution evidence was closed by the London magistrate without examining the material witnesses.
Sorry?
Without examining the material witnesses. So the prosecution has filed the petition annexure to page 21.
When you are challenging what?
I am challenging the order passed by the London JMFC in rejecting the petition filed by the prosecution.
Which order? Date?
Order dated
38
2016.
3.
3030.
ये तो बच्चा 30. How are you affected by this order, sir?
My lord, the charge sheet number 1 to 5. This is a dowry case. Victim has not been named
Hare Krishna Das, informant Minati Das, Aramani Das, Anup Kumar Das, and Anil Kumar Das. In the petition, it was specifically mentioned that these witnesses are vital material witnesses and their evidence is essential for the proper properly deciding the case. However, the JMFC Judge Pur video order dated 38/2016 rejected the petition filed with the prosecution and posted the case to 88/2016 for a quick statement. Considering the facts and circumstances of the case, this court have the view that material witnesses need to be given need to be examined in order to avoid miscarriage of justice. Full stop. In view of the matter, the CRM allowed. Next.
86.
86.
It is not a short argument next week, Mr. Vishwa.
Yeah, for
the Mr. Vishwa, on behalf of Mr. Vishwa.
8. Next. 88.
87.
87.
May please last man. Last item says the deposition of written note of summation. Deposit a written note of summation.
Please. Next.
88.
88.
I'm calling petition. I pray for adjournment, my lord.
Why?
Against conviction and send 138 in Act. Some points are there.
Kindly see the last order. This is the 5th time.
Yeah. You're all okay. There are the 21. And out of the amount, around 2,75,000.
The last order I have said that if you take adjournment subject to payment of some cost. Last order, please read the last order.
Just not because one thing.
Okay, adjournment granted subject to payment of which 5,000 to the opposite party. They don't do adjournment jete din avaz nahi hotu. They are not.
Is there? Not I have to pay something. I don't dispute that because when my lord has passed.
Okay, land counsel for the petitioner. Is 1 week time.
2 weeks.
2 weeks time of adjournment. However, as per this court caution on the last listing that it shall be visited with some punitive cost. Accordingly, the adjournment is granted and the petitioner to pay rupees 5,000 to the opposite party for said adjournment.
5,000.
5,000 देबे तो
Too much.
आपन क्लाइंट कोन गरीब क्लाइंट
Eight
Habitual offender and convicted.
You are rich man.
Confirmed by this honorable court.
You are rich man.
My lord may say 500 rupees.
500 can देबो 1,000 कर 1,000 1,000 1,000 तांको देबे
I will pay.
1,000 कमी हो जाएगा
बस
आउडे केस रे 7,50,000 कन्विक्शन confirmed
से कोन यार होईची
and habitual offender.
आखिर से
ठीक है
check
1,000
1,000
1,000 let him pay 1,000
make it to 500.
1,000 a client who has engaged you can't be a poor client, so at least 1,000 तो दे पड़ेगा. Next.
Well, 4 weeks after होगा.
ताला 5,000 4 weeks after 5,000
because I'll call the client.
2 weeks लगा 2 weeks for 2,000 2 weeks 2,000 आओ हवनी आओ चेंज पर नहीं गला 2,000 ना to agreement granted for 2 weeks subject to payment of rupees 2,000 hela next date list the matter on 13th February. Next
1,000 plus.
आओ किसी कारण रे हला
1,000 हो
आओ your client has
it will go from my pocket, that is otherwise my lord.
आपण कोन हतरा मळी कने गदा पैसा बारियो
1,000
2,000
my lord make it pay 1,000.
next
My lord make it one because I
no 2,000
the first order which my lord has passed, my lord, that let that remain 1,000.
मु तो ऑर्डर लास्ट टाइम लिखिथिली मो ऑर्डर काई
That's why my lord,
लास्ट टाइम लिखिथिली
no I am ready for that.
visited with punitive cost.
That's
I
why
have therefore visited you with 2,000
no, that's why my lord, from the very beginning I have said I am ready for that because
Okay,
I have to abide by my lord.
2,000
My lord
5 ରୁ 2 कर दिले आपण आओ नहीं आओ next item
1,000.
Item
No,
89.
because it,
I'm not going to change it. No way.
my lord has said, my lord said to
2,000 रुपए दियंतु
500 को
से बिचारा दिन आएगा जगी तक दियंतु
no,
client-
just now I'll pay, my lord.
हां देखो
Just now I'll pay.
दे दियंतु दे दो
My lord make it 1,000.
ओके किसी बड़ा बड़ा लॉयर किसी यंग लॉयर को
The young like CA के बहुत बड़ा. CA
बड़ा ओ हेला दे दे तो
That's why one my
you
lord.
are paying your brother
I am just now.
ओ हेला ब्रदर है दे दे
Hey, one my lord make it
Next,
1,000.
next,
One
next.
my lord make it 1,000 because
से भी नवन से क्लाइंट को दो ना
मैंने से client दे
pay to
देगा.
client
I don't know. I'll make it 1,000.
2,000 मुझे भाई कम कर दिले तो बढ़ा दिले 2,000 ठीक रहेगा. Next item
89.
89
The wife, petitioner wife challenges the order passed by both the courts below, awarding the maintenance of rupees 15,000 only, whereas
आपण for the girl
for the girl,
I'm for the husband.
on the ground that
Okay.
the husband is getting more than near about 2 lakh rupees per month.
what is he doing
Chief
doctor.
District Medical Officer at Himachal Pradesh.
CDMO, okay.
And apart from
May I suggest one thing, my lord? Let me, request him to forward it to mediation. Mediation center. If compromise will be held, it will be better, my lord.
calculation.
I have just
ଆମର ପଇସା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ମୁଁ
ପଛେ
ଦଉଛି 15,000 ଲେଖା
କେତେ
ଦଉଛି।
maintenance ଅଛି?
ମୁଁ 15,000 ଦଉଛି।
3,07,000.
ଆଗ
କିନ୍ତୁ
pay
ମଝିରେ area
ଆପଣ
ରୁ
pay କରନ୍ତୁ mediation କୁ ପଠେଇବି। Pay.
Area
Land
ନାଇଁ,
council for the land council for the opposite party to pay rupees 3 lakh.
ନାଇଁ ନା
3,75,000.
Okay, 3 lakh ରୁ 2 lakh ଆଗ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। 2 lakh rupees within 2 weeks from today.
ମାସେ ଦେବି।
ବିଲକୁଲ ନାହିଁ ଆମର 2 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା salary ପାଉଛନ୍ତି
ମାସେ area ର ବହୁତ
2 lakhs within 2 weeks.
ନାଇଁ
List the matter, list the matter on ତାପରେ medicine କୁ ପଠେଇବି। List the matter on 7th February ହେଲା ତାପରେ
ଆଉ ଟିକେ
ଆଗ ଦେଇ
ଆଉ 2 ହପ୍ତା ଟିକେ
area ଆଗ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ମାସେ ଦରମା
Nothing doing. ଆଗ
4 weeks 2 ହପ୍ତା ଆଉ 4 weeks
ବିଲକୁଲ ନାହିଁ area
ମୁଁ ତ ରେଡି ଅଛି compromise
2
କରିବା
ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଗୋଟେ କଣ
ମୁଁ ରେଡି ଅଛି compromise କରିବା
ready
ଏବେ regularly
ଦେଇଦେଲା ପରେ
ମୁଁ
compromise
ଆଜ୍ଞା ରେଡି ସବୁ ମାସ 13 ତାରିଖ ଲେଖା 13 ତାରିଖ 15,000 ଲେଖା
ଜାଗା
ରେଗୁଲାର
କେମିତି ଆଇଲା?
ଏଇଟା ବାକିଆ ପଇସା ରେ ଏଇଟା ବାକିଆ
ଏତେ area କେମିତି ଆଇଲା?
ମଝିରେ ଏଇଟା ଏକ୍ସପାର୍ଟି ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇକି ସେ ବାକିଆ ପଇସା
ହଉ
ରହିବ
ହେଲା ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆମର
ମତେ ମାସେ ଦରକାର ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ
2 weeks time is granted.
4 weeks
No,
ମୁଁ ରେଡି ଅଛି
only 2 weeks. Only 2 weeks. List the matter on 5th. 5th ରେ ଆସୁ 5th 2 weeks ହଉଛି 5th ରେ ଆସୁ 5th ରେ I'll send you mediation କଣ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବି ସେତେବେଳେ। Next
Item 90.
90.
My lord, the husband has come against the order passed by the Learned Appellate Court in a awarding maintenance against me in a DV case.
କେତେ କେତେ maintenance?
Maintenance କରିଛନ୍ତି 5,000 for the opposite party number 1 and 2,000 to the child.
The appellate court order.
Appellate court. Trial court has passed an order saying that I should pay 3,000 and
What is
1,000.
your profession?
My lord, I am a credit manager in the HDFC Bank and she is a teacher.
What is your
My take home pay is around
income?
60,000 rupees
60,000.
and she is getting 36,000 rupees.
Teacher in government school.
Government school. And my lord, what has happened is I have filed this IA because initially this court directed that I should pay 5,000 with effect from January 2023. Subsequently, that was modified. In fact, I couldn't know about that and saying that I should pay the same from September 2021. And because of that arrear due, she has filed an application there and DW has been issued against me. So I have filed an application to stay that I am paying the current.
90 na?
I number 972 of 2023.
State. That is state.
Let them pay the
Pay the DW.
Let it be taken up for final hearing. My lord.
subject
The
to
application
payment.
the order dated 24/11/2020 passed by the learned JMFC. Chandikhol issuing DW against the
I am paying the current
No, no,
5,000.
subject to payment. That stay was subject to payment of
I have been paying rupees 5,000.
Arrear କେତେ ଅଛି?
75,000.
75,000. ଆଉ
ମତେ ତାହେଲେ 5ଟା installment ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ along with the current ମୁଁ ଦେବି।
ହଁ ପାଞ୍ଚଟା କଣ ଦିଟା
you pay the 75,000 within 3 months.
3 months along with the current.
Okay. If the petitioner is directed to pay the arrear maintenance within 3 months along with the current maintenance amount. Accordingly, your list the matter on
The order dated 24/11 will be stayed.
always there.
My
20th March.
obliged.
Next
91.
91.
Last occasion, I received one counter from opposite party number 2. A short date may be, I may be given some time to file a rejoinder. New facts have been brought to this fact. Notice.
Opposite party. Petitioner is directed to file the rejoinder within 2 weeks. List the matter 22nd.
I am for the
22nd February.
opposite party number 1 bank. Today I am filed a written note of submission.
File it.
Written note of submission.
Yes. Next 92.
92.
Item 92, my lord.
Okay, 1 week time granted. List the matter on 13th February. Next 94.
94.
94.
I am from VC, my lord.
Who
I am
is
from the opposite. I am from the
State
opposite party.
to receive the 6 to obtain the LCR. List the matter on 15th February.
My lord, the stay is operating against me, my lord. My lord,
95.
the-
Stay to continue.
I am appealing for the petitioner.
Stay. Stay ଅଛି ନା?
Yes, my lord. 94.
ଆମେ ତରବରରେ କାଇଁ ପଳାନ୍ତି? ମ୍ୟାଟର ସରିନି ଆପଣ ପଳଉଛନ୍ତି କଣ? ଏତେ ତରବର କଣ? Stay is operating against me.
2 weeks after.
Stay ଅଛି କି?
No, madam.
Again, stay ଅଛି. It is a matter of 2006, my lord. 2006 ra check ta they have lost in two cases. The SDGM court and the ADJ court has lost this case. Now they filed a stay order is operating and 2006 check bounce has not enacted this case.
ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ଦେବା ତାପରେ ଫାଇନାଲ କର ହେଇଯିବ କଣ? Stay is not saying any stay କାଟ ତ ଛୋଡ଼। କଣ ନା ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି କଣ? Next.
Made peace lordship. I am applying for the
95.
I am applying for the petitioner lordship. I pray
I'm
that
for the opposite party. Why?
after 2 weeks, maybe the matter be taken after 2 weeks.
If
Mr. Mahanti, the conducting counsel, Mr. Mahanti is supposed to argue the matter.
एमपी मिस्टर मानते मिस्टर पटनायक का टाइम नहीं चल the entire area matter है
Stays there, lordship.
stay continue next
Obliged.
96.
96 96
96 my lord, prefer my lord 2 weeks my lord.
सेटा में कौन ला you come okay come be there I'm finishing at the end I'll take up the time 96
My lord, prefer 2 weeks my lord.
2 weeks time granted place the matter 20th February 97
97.
This case, my lord, I am for the petitioner. Last occasion, lord, she referred the matter to the mediation center, my lord. The medicine is urgent to 27th January.
27 January list the
Dita
matter
sitting ହେଇଗଲାଣି
27 February को बुक
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଆଜ୍ଞା।
है list the matter on 20 to urgent the matter 27 so the mediation proceeding is on and the it's not likely to complete within simply next
98.
98 non appeals list the matter 22nd February 99
99.
99.
What for commit करथिले जे कोर्ट को मुझे मोहित डेट रे साथ देई बोले
हेलो
आगे सर किछ नाही आदर
आपण 2 मिनिट सर दी बोलले
हां
I'll finish it in 2 minutes
हां 2 minutes रे आगे साथ दोच okay case is on section 360 conviction is on section 363 by 34 IPC the learned trial court is convicted 4 years RI and 2000 rupees fine but in the appeal it was substantive sentence was reduced to 1 year and fine amount was reduced to 1000 rupees. The whole thing is that I will only place the evidence of, I will not evidence of PW1, PW2, PW3. Here in this case, my lord, so far as 363 is concerned, the vital witnesses to the kidnapping is the victim herself. Then the case of the prosecution is that the victim PW11 she was going to school along with PW2 her friend. On the way they say that the petitioner and another co-accused they came in a Scorpio. My petitioner he was driving the vehicle and the other petition other co-accused Tuna Naik he dragged him to the inside that vehicle and they took her towards Nayagarh. On the way, the police, the father of the victim, the informant PW1, he received the news of kidnapping from PW3. By then, PW1, the father of the victim was working in his paddy field. She got the news and he got the news and went directly to the police station, my lord, Daspala police station. There he found the accused persons, 2 accused persons along with that vehicle. My lord, so far as the evidence of that PW. So far the evidence of PW of 11 is concerned, my lord. Again, again.
What are you reading?
अब सब written argument टा करथिल ते कोर्ट थोई देली से पछ पटे देखल हम सेति केवल प्लेस कर देबे अपन को कुछ
कार को PW कहले
आगे
PW
PW 11 my lord, मैं kindly see
कार आपण पढी
मु PW 11 रो पढबी victim रो PW 1 रो पढबी 2 रो पढबी
ठीक PW 1 to के
PW 11 my lord, मैं kindly see
PW 1 के
PW 1 होची PW 11 PW 11 is a victim my lord.
Sir, PW 1 की
PW 1 होची father, the father of the victim.
और 2 mother.
PW 2 होची ता सांग कार से victim रो सांग जे ता सांग रे जाउथला.
ठीक है.
The evidence of the PW 11 is the material contradiction in the evidence of PW 11. So far as the kidnapping is concerned, my lord, may kindly see PW. Again.
तो जदी किडनैपिंग न होबा ताले केते कोन होबा
आगे किछि ना से किडनैपिंग কথা कहूनी
किडनैपिंग कहिनी
कहूनी मु तो आपन देखे दु PW 11 my lord, may kindly see
कौन
PW 11 my lord, may kindly see PW 11 paragraph 2.
Yes.
Gitanjal Naik. The occurrence took place on 12/11/2012 9:45 AM near Suakhai Nala, which I was proceeding to school along with other people. At that time, I was prosecuting my study in class 9 in high school. Say to the important. One Scorpio came from my front side. Mohan Naik was driving that vehicle. Mohan Naik is my petitioner, and Tuna Naik was sitting there. Tuna was covering his half face by a handkerchief. Accused Tuna Naik suddenly dragged me to inside the Scorpio and took me towards Noagat. Then, my lord, kindly see paragraph 6 of the cross-examination. When it was confronted to that witness, my lord, paragraph 6, it is not a fact that I have not stated before the IO that accused Mohan Naik was driving the vehicle and Tuna Naik was sitting therein, and that Tuna was covering his half face by handkerchief, and that accused Tuna Naik suddenly dragged me to inside the Scorpio. That is the event. That means he admits that I have stated so.
So you have taken her to the Scorpio.
Then, my lord, my kindly see the IO's evidence. PW19.
You are driving the vehicle.
Driving the vehicle.
So you took inside.
No. Other Tuna Naik took inside.
You are also equally culpable.
Then my lord, may
when you are driving, you are concerned. 34.
Then, my lord, may kindly see page PW19, the IO's evidence.
Yes, IO.
IO, paragraph 13. Paragraph 13 of cross-examination. It is a fact that PW11 has not stated before me that the accused Mohan Naik was driving the vehicle by handkerchief, and that accused Tuna Naik.
The more important thing is whether you kidnapping is because you are driving the vehicle. You are 34.
34 is there. So
overcome
overcome PW30 IO's evidence says, my lord, that he has not stated before the IO that he has kidnapped.
Kidnap words na lagini, but upon action that speaks louder than your words. Your action speaks louder.
That, my lord, that he has not stated. The paragraph 13 again, my lord, may kindly see. In the evidence, PW11 says I have stated before police. Here at paragraph 13, he says that he has not stated before me. That means so far as this kidnapping is concerned, that Mohan Naik was driving the vehicle, Tuna Naik dragged him.
ଆସୁନି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଇଟା କନଭିନ୍ସ ହେଇପାରୁନି ମୁଁ।
material contradiction affecting the root of the prosecution matter.
ମ୍ୟାଟେରିଆଲ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଡିକ୍ସନ ହିଁ ନାହିଁ, କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଡିକ୍ସନ କୋଉଠି ଆଇଲା?
এইটা পরে এইটা এই যে
161 statement ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ସାର୍
କଣ ଆଜ୍ଞା କଣ
ନା
କହୁଛ?
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟା
যেটা কনফ্রন্ট হয়েছে আয়োগ পুরা
ମ୍ୟାଟେରିଆଲ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଡିକ୍ସନ କାହିଁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
এইটা পুরা এই যে প্যারাগ্রাফ 13 টা
କାହା
যেতে
ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଡିକ୍ଟ କଲା?
কন্ট্রাডিক্ট কলা তার ওই যে ভিকটিম র এভিডেন্স সাগরে
କଣ କଲା?
ভিকটিম কইলা যে মু আয়োগ কু কইছি যে মোহন নায়ক ওয়াজ ড্রাইভিং দ ভেহিকল and your টুনা নায়ক ডাইরেক্ট মি ইনসাইড দ ভেহিকল।
ତ କିଏ ଡ୍ରାଇଭ କରୁଥିଲା?
আজ্ঞା
କିଏ ଡ୍ରାଇଭ
ଡ୍ରାଇଭ୍ କରୁଥିଲା ଏଇ କଥାଟା ସେ ଆୟୋ ପାଖରେ କହି ନାହିଁ।
ଆୟ ପାଖରେ ନ କଲା କଣ ହେଲା?
ତାହେଲେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଡିକ୍ସନ ଏଟା ଯୋଉ କନଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା ପରେ ଯାଇକି ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ହବ।
ସେ କାହା ପାଖରେ କହିଲା?
ସେ କୋର୍ଟରେ ତାକୁ ଡେଭଲପ କରେଇଲା।
ଆଉ ଇଏ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ରେ ସେ କହିଲା, ପଛେ କହିଲା ଇଏ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ମାନେ କ୍ରସ ରେ କହିଲା ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ସେ
କ୍ରସ ରେ କହିଲା ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାକୁ କନଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ କଲି କାହାକୁ କୋର୍ଟରେ
ସ୍ମଲ ଥିଙ୍ଗ ଇଟ କାନ୍ ବି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
these are all small minor contradiction.
This I prefer time, my lord may kindly grant me time. I'll prepare more, my lord.
Okay, prepare it.
2 weeks time we got.
Okay, 2 weeks time. 22nd February.
Yes.
100.
Noted.
Tuna knife.
Same.
एका संग कर देबे है ना?
Your
Give me
lordship,
proper note, sir. ये contradiction, material contradiction, these भलो के लेखक दियंतु। आउट के बेटर
आउट बेटर करी दे दे
फिर
दे दूं से
note copy.
पूरा क्लैरिटी कर दे ताकि कॉपी दे।
सेटा मते दे दियंतु।
अरे हे कौन? Yes.
Your lordship has fixed it. Your lordship.
22nd February. Yes, now come to that matter.
I often a copy of the LCR.
Well said. Yes, please give me a copy. Yes, next.
Item 70.
70. So you want to withdraw it?
My lord, my first and foremost, my unconditional apology for whatever the miscommunication was there.
Now, what is the miscommunication? I don't know. When I met, you yourself said these people are waiting for the whole day.
My lord, my
And you
unconditional
suddenly came say I'm
my unconditional apology for it, my lord. The brief belonged to someone else. I was only telephonically messaged that.
Then all these things we are least bothered. There is
My
an
lord,
internal thing I am not.
My lord, that is the very reason I told my unconditional apology for it.
Okay, so now
I may be pardoned, my.
what do you say now?
My lord, I want to withdraw that writ petition to file it in the proper.
File a memo.
My lord, I have filed.
Given and counsel for the petitioner, file a memo. To withdraw the writ petition. Unconditionally. Dismiss. I withdraw. ठीक है.
My lord, I have.
Sorry?
My lord, liberty has been given me to withdraw the case. My lord.
Yeah.
My lord, I may not be misunderstood.
No,
My,
not that. So initially when the matter was called, if nobody was there, you should
my
have told
lord,
that.
my lord, there was a miscommunication for it. I may be pardoned, my lord. I may
because-
not be misunderstood.
Because other people are waiting for you.
My lord.
And you went,
My
and I said, "We'll come again, because other people are not there
My
at the time. So you should have come.
My,
No, you didn't come.
my apologies, my.